Gwaan ENT.
Brother Roots, as Bogle say all fruits ripe.
Yes, Heatwave, this is the right thing. Don't keep us.
For Heatwave, the international sound from Kingston, Jamaica, and around the world. Here comes a bombshell.
This is Heatwave, and I have nothing much to say more than just moderate. Come, Bobby Digital, cause you run more than things. I believe that next year they're going to call you God, cause you create. Rubber dump style. No only it be massive, just look, certain sound guy play pedal and wheel. Well, Heatwave is the only sound to make a bargain and then get a deal. Bugging on a deal, bugging on a deal. We say Heatwave in a dance, it is a bugging on a deal. Me yalla bugging on a deal, bugging on a deal. Heatwave in a dance, it is a bugging on a deal. Because Heatwave a sound, it no stop from clap.
So what?
Like the king way, he knock your back. And time me come and we rule up the spot. Some boy come and them a bit turn back. Watch the firehouse massive, them get up on a rock. Olympic way through, them get up on a rock. Heatwave massive, them get up on a rock.
I know some Heatwave and Steppa choice in the building. Lord, not even summer now go so hot.
Top a top, what me love for here when I Heatwave a clap. Cause it's a bugging on a deal, bugging on a deal. This a the roughest thing I rough from them get pedal on a wheel. This is a bugging on a deal, bugging on a deal. The wickedest thing I rough from them get pedal on a wheel. Because some are going like them moving up front. Heatwave girl does a wind up them rock.
Hey Bob, still know yourself, you know. Pick up yourself, see your fears.
That's with the players who when Heatwave play them a jump. Me call bugging on a deal, bugging on a deal. Heatwave a play, it is a bugging on a deal. Me call bugging on a deal, bugging on a deal. Heatwave a play, it is a bugging on a deal. Because pound for an anchor and penny for a dime. A sound that Heatwave ain't committing a crime. Him don't know that it's the end of time. Cause Heatwave play the rubber dub and blow them mind. Watch the one Bobby Digital and beat me all the time. When sound a play, some of them not fine. When Heatwave a play, I eat them once all the time. It is a bugging on a deal, bugging on a deal. Heatwave a play rubber dub in your sorry. Them call it bugging on a deal, bugging on a deal. If me reach a gun coat and then me must have be a feel.
As you move out of Ninja, we feature Shabba. I know me have to warm up the machine first, though.
I don't know, see people on the bump stop, man. Crying for them, ball for them, whoa. Heatwave in the place, so get up, son up on rock, and if for agony you want, so get up, son up on rock. Now respect to all the Heatwave massive now. Heatwave is a sound that alone to me.
All the firehouse crew, compound crew, Scarborough.
And from we coming on the place, you know it's beer niceness. Look, all the crew, look one crew round, so. Respect Ninja, man.
I know in time Sprague Roads come about a big people thing was saying, you know. Lead and make them follow.
Man for them, whoa.
Swap.
Get up, son up on rock, and if I agony. The music you like, get up, son up on rock. Heatwave and boom start, get up, son up on rock. This is swagger kind of sing, my Bobby Digital fun. Yellow and red and even black. When you take it out, it is the color and the box and Heatwave, yes, it's a boom start and promising up, gal, them have the rock. Heatwave in the place, get up, son up on rock, and if I agony you want, get up, son up on rock. If a music too sweet, get up, son up on rock. This a one year in cool. Get up, son up and rock. I know say Shabba rockin' knees. Boom shot and talk. I know say Heatwave is a hand sound to jump on. Lick we up and fling we bank and we day a bottom and we can't find up. Heatwave in the place, so get up, son up and rock. If a niceness you want, get up, son up and rock. Yes, how we bring the agony. Get up, son up and rock. And how we bring the temper. Get up, son up and rock. Dance. It Heatwave, the people love your band. And Pamela hear you watch you get mad. She live up her front, show her bingo bag too. French cut panty, that down a chance. Heatwave in on the place, so get up, son up and rock. If a music where you want to.
No, I Heatwave was saying, no. As me say.
So this coming from Loaded and the G, and dedicated to all that whole part sound. Heatwave rule all the time, man. Follow me one. Follow me two. Come follow me, come follow me. Loaded and the G. Come on. Whole time bleeding, I feel live on. And if you fall on them, the lesson that you can't go wrong. Spinning, whole time bleeding, I feel live on. And if you fall on them, the lesson that you can't go wrong. Stitches, the whole time bleeding, I feel live on.
Out to the voice of Lieutenant Stitchy, Twinkle.
No one's a human to when me get enough argument from me mother and me father and me grandparents. No, all the patterns in my ears, them are utter right. When you grow up and you're choosing your lover, no one woman good before you put ring on finger. Get your education and plan about the future.
I'm going to play that one right out run straight.
That is proper, but in nowadays society that can't work. So if you take a woman in front of the pastor and put on the ring on her finger, take her in a bed, you turn her in a lover, and find out she a eunuch, it a go be disaster. One thing me grandmother she tell me and me remember, me must go to church and praise the Father, live it up right and follow the pastor, but pastor nowadays and them a breed of church sister. If him breed sister, brother me a go breed sister Lana. If him breed son and then me a go breed Sanja. If him breed Peter, he not take me a go follow see ya. Mama say, as a youth, you no fit chat, and you must make no man climb up on your back. Look, please you push your head before you push your cup. And ginger he must always in me house. A buckle of cream soda fi run up the out. Them say eat good food and keep your body healthy. Anytime you belch, you fi say excuse me. No poop in the crowd, go one side, go ease your body. And if the poop skin, tell the people say you're sorry. Have a regular part, say 2 times daily. Brush your teeth and keep your ear groomy. Sweep out your room and keep your house tidy. Spread
down to the voice, Lieutenant Stitchy.
Them a birds, me ear
Twinkle.
I
go run them belly.
We're sweet to the mouth, it's bitter to the belly. Them say look before your legs smell, before you eat, before you go on the street, you must look on me. Them say we must love the good and the evil. As well that one way you have to set examples to the little ones where you have to be a sample. Praise the Lord and read the Bible. Out of our life, we must keep the devil. Well, my father said me must submit no woman rule me. Is she again me bone? Find a next somebody. Nobody brutalize, nobody gal bikini car. Police say what you want, beat your badly. My grandfather say, Stitchy take this from me. Don't find no young gal over them
pussy.
Cat must always be reversed.
Again.
As a them in your mouth, you rock them. If you are over school,
now correct that one at 25 and going, you know.
Fight you, tell him
you kind of sound scratch, you know, watch it.
Now you tell him about him, Rastafari group, you must a giant son.
Out to the voice of Lieutenant Stitchy, the governor.
No father mix up in a bad boy company. Have manners and no decency. Like good morning
and good evening.
Oh, the dirty.
How you keeping?
Not being rude, but please excuse me. I would like piece of your panty. Put in your wab in the oven baking. Smells so good that me can't stop sniffing. And nothing me learn from me parents teaching. If you want a woman, you have to have discipline. Step up to the girl, no one like you done. Come on, conscious lyrics, you must fling down. Notice her teeth, notice her gum. Before you will a down and suck out the tongue bar. That's something where every woman love. But I know every girl.
Rhythm done in a curve, hear the DJ.
Must be fearful and be loyal. Don't keep to woman, me must keep one.
You're mad.
But if a girl love you and I give you the work,
what you do?
Don't turn your back, just give her some good flour, rice, chicken, back and banana. Eat good food and spend no just chop that. Everybody know Lieutenant Stitchy and the governor.
I was sprang a roots.
And just a toddler, me did well to me friend them said that me mother. Mama says son, don't be a liar. Tell me the truth if your teeth out the sugar. Son, you must always respect your father. Don't eat the salty out of him dinner. And when me talk to you, nobody give me no back answer. Don't bother grumble, don't bother murmur. Like where she a call me for. But see, son, you must always respect your parents. To your mother and your father, be obedient. When your father sleeping, son, be silent. Don't make no noise, it go create violence. But see, I promise me son to be a decent young man. Walk away from trouble when you can the time hard. Son, you must try evil things. You must be ready. Nobody business to encourage no farmer stop this exercise daily and keep your fit. business. As I entertain a stitch, it can't stop right lyrics. No pirate DJ Lieutenant Stitch, I go kids or come. All time agent, I believe on. And if you go love them, then listen to you can't.
Yeah man, for real, if the youths of today that follow them message there, them would not keep up one bag of idiot sitting in around. As you move on, Twinkle.
Again, another place, man, no spragger. Put on your silence, I go a silent killing boy tonight on Al Capone style. Run it, man, come and have nothing.
Out to the late great Dirts, man, Twinkle.
Reggae food, big up. Rebarbal King, love it and I get the love it and it brings it down to be like a puppet on a string. Heatwave again, man, tell them up. Sound boy, watch this. You can say anything the son boy them can do. Heatwave do it better. We's the roughest. We have a toughest. Come now, anything the son boy them can do. Spragger can do it better. We have a roughest. We have a toughest. We have the answer, and we the silencer. Cause if the enemy try to test a murder, we charge for me have the answer, and we the silencer. Cause if you dip on the borderline, you get turned over. Come on, just the other day, they say in the dancehall. Show us the vibes like when rain a fall. A idiot son boy, we make them look small. And now we hit on the back against the wall. After we race with the fire stick crawl. And from the trigger of in a ramp for all.
Down to the late great Dirts, man, Twinkle.
Bible and Tina go bring out that we have the answer. And we the silencer. Cause if the enemy try to test a murder, we charge for me have the answer. And we the silencer. If you dip on the borderline, you get done over. Come and say, skull is a bore, and money a drop. Them a wonder if the knife stab or a cutlass chop. Front underneath me bowl, after when me have up the mark. On top of the mark, front of with the silencer. Got just what a man pan the lip, a policeman pan the right man. Ask me the time, one beg me a line.
Twinkle produced by the boss, Bambi Digital. I know in time we come out and I play a tune, we just bounce the boss tune them, cause I don't know it go. Twinkle.
We have a toughest.
This is Wayne once again on the Heatwave sound. Original Wayne one that talk, man. Big up all Heatwave girls. Easy Spragger Roots. A1 Selector, Pig on the crew. Saying all firehouse, one house crew. Big up to the max, Walton Park people. Dunkirk Heights. Easy Butcher Banter.
Now to the voice of Wayne Wonder. All of the Dunkirk family, big up themselves here for years. Yes, I am. Because you know.
There's a ray of sunshine. It is Heatwave's day. Hope this feeling lingers on and never slips away.
Don't shut you.
Lying here so peaceful, easy as can be.
Hey Kirk, I say, I'll bring away anyone that come and hear that tune. I've never even remember it. Want a copy for voice it over a document.
I don't know if I have ever told you just how good.
Down to the voice of Wayne Wonder.
Baby's playing.
Twinkle.
Well, baby, it's wonderful. Loving you under the Heatwave star, it is beautiful. Makes me feel oh so real, so special. And baby, that's all that matters. I always wake up feeling better all the morning after I listen to the Heatwave sound.
Down to the voice of Leroy Dance Smart.
Them a top out sound.
Hey.
Not just none of them.
And the biggest you know.
Them a top out sound. Eat with come for wear the crown.
Right.
Them a top out sound. A lot of sound. Them a come around.
Them biggest you know again.
Also send class a class. A lot of guys get jealous. To eat within a top class.
Down to the voice of the Don.
Some this and this. And them
Leroy Dance Smart. Twinkle.
Them a talk about sound. A lot of guys, them a come around. Them a talk about sound. Heatwave sound and the champion. House a house and class a class. A lot of guys get jealous. To eat with me.
is so fine.
Watch me again, no. Yeah, man, can we talk to woman all the while? And as we move on with feature, watch me again, Sanchez.
Heatwave sound, won't you play for me? Heatwave, won't you kill another sound for me? I want you to do all the things that a sound should do. All the little things I want you to do. Heatwave, play for me.
Hey, Bob, still in a easy,
Heatwave sound, won't you play for me? Heatwave, won't you kill another?
Yeah, I'm to make it 4 more before we feature our friend them. I know where boy I don't have many friends.
All the things that a sound.
Steppa tries on building H1. Shake anyway to pick up yourself to youth. No respect.
You must do Heatwave, kill another sound. Tomorrow will come and sound. I can't wait, it's our anniversary.
What?
We're gonna have an anniversary. The first thing I'll do is murder your sound. It's our anniversary.
Hey, I see the next flashback where I come the last Saturday and I'm all white. Cause I noticed I will skip one. It's where I say some little thing I would just ease back. Cause I don't know so we deal with it. As we move on, Twinkle.
Well, at this moment, Heatwave would like to send special requests to all the girls in the balcony, to Susie, Donna, and all girls.
Now to the voice of Sanchez.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Heatwave, Heatwave, every time I call you on the phone,
hey,
they tell me that you're not at home. But last night, when I called you, before I say hello, I could hear you singing in the background. Oh, yeah, and you're not at home. You're not at home. Listen. So why does my heart go on beating? And why does the sea rush to show?
Yeah, I'm to make it 3 more to go, then you step on choice.
Don't they know it's the end of the world, and you don't love me anymore? Heatwave, why does my heart go on beating?
I know where boy we play for the ladies all the time. Twinkle along seed. Yeah, my woman for breed. Yeah.
Don't they know it's the end of the world? It ended when you say goodbye.
Out to the voice of Sanchez we feature.
Exclusively for all the Heatwave girls. Singing to you by Luciano. In a class by himself. Killer. Heatwave.
Down to the voice.
But it's not for fame or vanity. At least it's not for me. If the wind is right, we can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, Heatwave sound is playing now, and it makes me feel so right.
Hey.
And baby, believe me, Lord. Say, baby, we're sailing, take me away. Well, this one is exclusively for all the Heatwave girls.
Down to the voice of the messenger.
Luciano, in a class.
Lucy.
Killer. Heatwave.
And then we go so again.
But it's not for fame or vanity. At least it's not for me. If the wind is right, we can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, Heatwave sound is playing now, and it makes me feel so right.
Right.
Baby, believe me, Lord. Say, baby, we're sailing, take me away. Well, Heatwave is playing, do it for me. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
Baby, just sailing, take me away. Well, Heatwave is playing, do it for me. Oh, Lord, make me feel like paradise.
Hey, Kirk, what kind of one drug on that?
Fill me with your kisses.
Don't take it personal, Kirk. You don't know the thing. Look, I want to start vibes it up yet, you know. I just like how each one just sit down. Sometimes you don't even remember saying the brother there. Yeah, man, for real. Man, I lie.
Well, it's not for fame or vanity.
Good manners, able youth.
At least it's not for me.
Hey, yeah, me are going to play a Luciano we I love. Listen to one here. Steppa choice.
You are now rocking with Steppa Choice, the champion sound.
Yeah, arrest them, you know. Demolition, man. Steppa Choice to play a trophy way.
Yeah, man, I bet you I'm going to band and I tell them straight across the board. It's all about Steppa choice. Yeah, man, first of all, one big up Steppa choice. We have the hammer.
You know it's Steppa's choice. Big up Steppa choice, man. Work with your son. Zaga, Steppa choice sound and number one sound.
Yeah, Steppa choice. Steppa choice sound. Come on, Steppa choice.
Tenacity, you don't know Steppa choice. It's in a Johnny I'm gonna dance out that far.
My sound system, guys, Steppa choice sound is big. Contact it.
Kingston Steppa choice say, no boy play this. I pack up all of the dub plate. If you play this, boy, number one sound rule. And do what up.
Yeah.
Watch me while I sing, cause I'm standing tall in the musical hall. I'm an alternately say, swing along, swing along, swing along. Whoa. Hey. Oh yeah. Sound has come to you, with them sound and wasn't true, and you passed them by. Oh, Steppa choice, clip them wing, and a sound will be like him can sing him. No, I don't like them tin pan sound. I don't even like they come around. All I know is la 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 la. Steppa choice, they love you. Everybody loves Steppa choice. So. Look at Steppa choice.
Down to Steppa choice movements.
Look at now.
We're in the game
Them
tonight.
not so know.
And the Cesar.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Some boys don't want
Richie
Steppa choice around. Oh no, no. Them some boys got something they want to hide. Steppa just take them for a ride.
Special guest artist.
Put the sound boys
Supposed to
down
pass
under
through.
the ground.
Easing around the move.
Telling them stop. To experience to be beaten in a fight.
You know when I call people name
Steppa
around.
choice draw the plates day and night.
Yeah.
To experience to be beaten in a clash.
Hey, me I tell you so that tune is so big it can hold on the airwaves.
Into trash.
Listen up.
Don't turn on the pass. It's been the task. And we're in the game tonight. Baba and the Cesar.
Oh yeah.
Down to the legendary.
Yeah. Some boys don't want Steppa Choice around. Oh no, no.
Them man make Barrington leave go on the map.
Something they want to hide.
Big up Barrington leave continue all the said we.
Steppa just take them for a ride. Put the sound boys down under the ground.
Yes, Kurt, money I spend.
To experience to be beaten in a fight.
Rich.
Steppa Choice draw Dubplates day and night.
Tell them again, shake it.
To experience to be beaten in a clash. Steppa Choice just turn them all into trash. They hate the side of Steppa Choice. Oh yeah. Steppa Choice is always the one to rejoice. Licking
down to the voice of Babandi.
They always saying that they want to fight.
Twinkle.
Steppa Choice beat them day and night, telling them that to experience to be beaten in a fight. A Steppa Choice can draw the place day and night. To experience to be beaten in a clash. Steppa Choice just roll them all into trash.
112 degree boiling point, you know.
It's a new dawn. Steppa Choice come for rejoice and mash up all sound. Babandi says so. Right now I'm gonna big up Kirk, Ryan, Bujo, Lombaji, Shaky, Ichiwa.
Yeah.
Top selectors.
Twinkle DJ, yes, cock up on the mirror, boom rhythm. Hear that rhythm, yeah. Hear that rhythm, yeah.
Steppa Choice change them sounds away. Say,
pull up that one there. Pull up. Pull it up.
It's a new year. It's a new dawn. Steppa Choice come for rejoice and mash up all
now to the voice of Baba and the Twinkle.
Right now I'm gonna big up Kirk, Ryan, Bujo, Lombaji, Shaky, Ichiwa. We say top selectors the world over. Who says so? The elder Baba.
Listen to me again.
Steppa Choice change them sounds away. Set I free. Remove them from the dance. All Steppa Choice and them will never agree.
Original. Twinkle.
So long he wants to kill them drum and sound. He's going to terrorize them, bury them under the ground. Steppa Choice is number one, an independent sound. And down, oh wow, no DB sound, always hanging around.
Super.
Whether Dubplates, fake CD, Steppa Choice, don't give a damn. He's going to lick Dubplates all and
Twinkle big sound play a big tune.
And Steppa Choice, lick Dubplates all night. And
yes. Whoa, yeah.
Steppa Choice, big sound, bad man sound.
Steppa tear off the roof from over the way.
Out here the mighty diamonds.
Steppa tear off the roof from over the rails and box the old from off the turntable and box the old from off the turntable and spread love in the dance hall and spread love all love for everyone.
Hey.
Steppa Choice, remember when Steppa Choice sound say, dance all of a night.
Yes, Kurt, the money I spend well, I can't hear it. Rich.
Steppa Choice will never run away. No. Steppa Choice will never run away.
Super.
Steppa Choice, prophesy, say, oh yes, a song where I go find him box behind the walls, yeah. It a go Peter,
so what?
No bad man come, lad. Him a go charge for Jesus.
Hey.
No Steppa Choice come, lad. Him a go charge for us. No bad man come, him a go charge for murder. No bad man come.
Some boy go run till them tumble down.
Twinkle.
Now Steppa Choice come. Him a go quote the scripture. Dancehall, I go pin the battlefield. Yeah, yes. Steppa Choice will never run away. No, no, no. Steppa Choice will never run away. Bad man will never run away. No. This is a prophecy. Oh yeah. This is a prophecy. Steppa Choice, prophesy, say. Steppa Choice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a shame I sound feeling.
Out to Junior Reid, all of the wheelers go dig over themselves here for years.
Steppa Choice, them gone down the drain. Come test Steppa Choice and now them gone down the drain. Steppa Choice just I use the plate and I shut out them brains. I want to know how Steppa Choice I use the plate and I mash up them brains.
Wheelers, Binzas, Firehouse.
Steppa Choice nice up in a Jamaica. Steppa Choice nice up in America. Steppa Choice nice up in England. Steppa Choice nice up in Canada, in Africa, Europe and all over. Steppa Choice I use the plate and I lick out them brains. Yeah. Say Steppa Choice I use the plate and I mash up them brains. Just I mash up them brains. Steppa Choice I mash up them brains. Oh guys, yeah. Oh yeah. Steppa Choice.
Yes, boss, yes, boss. Police in helicopter, looking for the murderer.
Emergency!
Steppa Choice,
this
now
is
have
Steppa
no
Choice.
mercy. I just kill sound and go back home alone. John Holt and Das that. Steppa man in the place, I know say I and I run things. John Holt knows say sound I got dead tonight. Sound boy, you dead. Yes, boss, yes, boss.
Super.
Police in helicopter.
Oh, John Holt.
Looking for the murderer. Steppa Choice are the murderer. Steppa Choice are the killer.
Big sound, big tune.
Are we are the thriller? Are we are the murderer? We come to kill your sound, bury your drum and sound, murder your tin pan sound. Come to take the crown. You did, sound boy, you did.
Watch me no buggy.
Police in helicopter, looking for Steppa.
Wow. On my way up to Marble, the listen Steppa's tries to some murder, some jump and murder them.
Hey, I'll pull up that tune for me. Yeah, man, for real, pull up that tune.
This is Steppa Choice. Yeah, me easy no crack, yeah, me Ryan, yeah, me Bojo, yeah, me itchy one, cool, no shaky. I know so kill them, sound of them dead. Them sound that dead. Steppa's Choice kill them.
Out to Barrington leave his selection, we play our chorus with Steppa Choice. Hey, shaky.
On my way up to Marble, for the listen Steppa's Choice to some murder, some jump and murder them. Say dust them, cause you're the champion sound. On my way up to Marble, when I didn't take bush but me have good collie. Here comes some jump and sound and deal with folly. When the Steppa's Choice I move up with some big bad dubs, we gonna murder them. Just kill them, cause we're the champion sound.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
You are now rocking with Steppa Choice, the champion sound.
Emergency! This is Steppa Choice.
Yo! Big up Steppa Choice school, don't expect large up there. You hear me, bad man, Bojo, Kirk, Jack and June and Mikey, me never set up at the father of reggae music right about now, me I bring photo now. Dennis Brown, the talk of the town, Major Aaron, so that's
Too much different sound. Too much sound. Some little sound, they're trying to test. Steppa choice. Some little sound, they're trying to test. Steppa choice. Yeah. Too much dibby sound. Too much different sound. Too much dibby sound. Too much different sound. Time to separate the sheep from the wolves. This is a sound clash, and the people should make their decision. If I step on, yes you won't. Kick out your foot and make me jump and prance. If I step a choice you won't. Kick out your foot and make me jump and press. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Hey. Ooh, yeah. Too much different sound. Too much dibby sound. Some little sound are trying to test. Steppa choice, yeah. Some little sound are trying to test. Steppa choice.
This is Steppa choice. A1 sound, Murderation sound, Kill All Jump and sound. Well, I'm Errol Dunkley, original Ground Nation Foundation, international Jamaican artist. I big up man like Lumbaji, Ichiwan, Ryan, Smokey Bojo, Joe, Colonel, Oni.
Yeah man, for real, I will move again, Twinkle.
Steppa choice is a murderous sound. And no jump and sound can show us down. Cause I told you once before, sound boy, Steppa choice would kill your sound. You never know, sound boy. Steppa choice is a A1 sound.
Down to the voice of Errol Dunkley Tinkal.
Steppa choice is a murderous sound. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey.
At the end of a rainbow, you'll find a pot of gold. And at the end of the sound clash, soundboy get knocked out cold. But Steppa choice has so much doubt.
Out to the voice of Lucy.
Ever test. Steppa will keep playing without any end. And the great sound called Steppa choice, the people's choice. Make the whole world jump and rejoice. Release the curve, make it work. Each one, let the tune. Ryan, man like Bojo, let the true Lamaji and shake it.
Out to the voice. Jump Messenger. Watch me now again, no?
So where can I find a place to live in this jungle created by soundboy?
Yeah man, big tune, big sound.
And where will I lay my weary head? Where I can this sound, Steppa choice playing instead.
Down to the voice.
Oh, yeah. Some dirt are unread. Oh God, man and man must ensure them made. Oh Lord, but I feel like running instead and find me a place where Steppa choice plays. Yes, I take me over into the valley. I'll find me a place where Steppa choice plays. Yes, I'll take me far away from the city. Steppa choice, the champion sound, plays for me.
Yeah man, we love your sample.
Hey, Mr. Undertaker, bring them a coffin. Whoa, no, that's a mistake. Make them do.
You are now rocking with Steppa choice, the champion sound.
Lordy, Lordy, can they see Steppa choice has taken over? Well, enough sound boy want cross the border, Lord. But I know Steppa choice of them on the choice to the killing, them do the burying. This a sound and no rum, no skin. We do the killing, them do the burying. Steppa choice on no rum, no skin. Boy, tell them again. Steppa choice to the killing, them do the burying. This a sound and no rum, no skin. Now we do the killing, them do the burying. This a sound and no rum, no skin. Lord, whoa, we kill them now. Whoa, we kill them now. Kill them now. Steppa choice, kill them now.
Steppa choice sound, a bad man sound. Steppa choice sound, a the champion sound. Steppa choice sound, a him a wear the crown. Steppa choice sound, a the people's sound. And me say sound boy, you take a life, now it's your turn. Hey, if you play with Pepper choice, you're gonna get burned. Hot to burn. Sound boy, now that you're gone to jail. Hey, sound boy, you will never get no bail.
Out to the voice of Johnny Osborne Twinkle.
No ice cream sound, it's too soft for me.
And then me go send a wagon for your house.
Don't want no ice cream sound, the song can't you see.
And then me go send a wagon Scarborough.
I want a sound that can kill a little thing, but in a sound clash.
Steppa choice.
Steppa choice is the roughest and the toughest sound. Sound boy, you know
okay.
That Steppa choice is the nicest and the sweetest sound. Sound boy.
Steppa choice. How you think we're nice? This way, it'll never be a twice.
Emergency.
Sing alongside the man.
This is Steppa choice.
Alright, that one your name. Steppa's choice, well, and this one is the man who take gunshot. Hey, we not take a shot around here.
Think called Big Son play big tune.
Steppa choice, well, stop. And this one is the man who get gunshot. A king can come bun them around here. Whoa,
and then go to know.
Step on them corn and never tell them sorry. No, Steppa's choice just murder sound. Lord God of mercy. Whoa.
Hey, well, Steppa's choice. Steppa's sound boy because you know we're not nice. We name Steppa's choice. Before you this was sound.
Give me a Steppa choice. Steppa choice is just a sound place. I went beyond so clear. This lumberjee, your fucking family disappear. Never heard a sound.
Yo, get you one. Pull up that one there. Pull up.
Hear me now when I talk about Steppa choice. I talk about the most authentic and articulated sound in the whole wide world. As a matter of fact, in the whole globe. Them know someone a sick at me and me gun them in a wild job, you know. Hear me now. Badman Budgie, you me a Kirk, you me a lumberjee.
We love you when artists lay down for rhythm like a lizard for living up. Yeah, man, think
sound for dead. Hey, give me a Steppa choice.
We go
Steppa choice is just a sound place. I went beyond so clear. This lumberjee, your fucking family disappear.
Right.
Never heard a sound place. I went beyond so clear. You this inch, you one sound, you're dead. Yeah. We don't laugh and we don't skin. No plain either green. Long time we there, I give out we warning. Fool can't hear, so him skin going burning. We don't dig the grave and buy the wreath and coffin. I fly too far, then we go and clip the wing. Go trouble Steppa choice, then we get murdered. Boom! One go tell them number G him counting. I'm telling you something. Step up, try sound and champion your feet. So we are last, you ready to use a double shot up you bumbo clock. Come on and show your colors, a hype and a show off. Man jog against a giant when you're round the other half. My sound and champion your feet. So we are laugh, cut the bass and touch the treble. You feel it in your heart. Go trouble Steppa choice. Well you're not smart. Then find a floating in the Canada river like a car.
Okay.
Hush your mouth. Well lumberjee attack. Talk before you think. That's when we pop it out. The double it out and make up.
Watch where I come next now. What we say now?
Said I know that the time will go.
Now pull up them things, man. Easy, H1.
Yeah, well, big up bad man Boju, you know. You don't know. Yo, H1. Easy, now. Cheeky, Lumberjee, Ryan.
Ryan?
Yeah, man.
Big up.
Yeah, me ball up on them case and them dead, you know.
Hi. Steppa's choice a killer sound boy. Janos, Steppa's choice gonna murder sound. Okay. Hey. Said I know that the time will come when Steppa's choice gonna kill some boy. Why did you try to taste our sound? Now we'll leave you underground. Turn off that jump on. Steppa's choice at a number one. Turn off that jump on. Steppa's choice at a champion. Turn off that jump on. Steppa's choice at a number one. Turn off that jump on. Steppa's choice at a champion.
Skills man, we're making the rope shine.
Outside! Sound System Friday. With that Sound System Friday. Oh, it's right. Give it up. I'll pull up all them things that you want. What do you mean, man?
Skills man, we're making the rope shine. We can't put mind to shine. It's coming down to the day.
Outside to my life, Joe Tex.
The people them tired of freaking. Steppa Choice kills on in the morning. It make them feel like dancing in a Sunday. Read down with the great and shake it the operator. Dial double 18 and a 6 tweeter. This a DJ talk sweeter. Let me just operate the echo chamber. But that's a man. Play them on T-Rock. They get them off and set the people to play for the band and them lot. Play this make them a big jump on this. But when me play LP, they really love me. They dance and no free, them a play CD. And this a sound killing evening. The people them tired of freaking. Steppa Choice kill sound in the morning. It make you feel like dancing.
Oh Lord, you said that sound boy killing a murder. Oh Lord, think on Steppa Choice. Come to put the little further. Oh Lord, I'll get this thing. From up every creases, every corner. Blow. Out your father, Koja. Steppa Choice coming at the dance and him really now blood fire hotter than a SLR.
Selassie, Jesus Christ. Boy, me just so nice, man.
Why Kirk I can't get the money for borrow from you? I see it, gone. Big tune.
Steppa Choice don't freak him out.
Rich again, my friend.
Steppa Choice man, the ragamuffin sound.
Out to Brigadier Jerry Twinkle.
Went to a dance and a musical night.
Hey.
Rip it up again in the dance hall, and everything was alright. Rip it up again and the sound them string up.
Oh no, not dub when dub did nice.
Lord, coach on the dub, so now go dead in here tonight. In the coach up and say, Raga, Jesus Christ, Raga, Lord. Ragamuffin them say Steppa Choice a murderer. Ragamuffin them say Kirk, you big boat ya. Ragamuffin them say Buju, you large boat ya. Ragamuffin Steppa Choice, you big boat ya.
Yeah man, big sound play big tune. All courtesy of Kirk shake it.
Up in the north,
Itchy one.
And anyway you got
them may go so again.
You know say Steppa Choice, them want to talk about them too pretty today. Must learn to sound this part.
And them may go so again.
Sound it too pretty today. Must learn to sound this part.
Every time I'm with Steppa Choice, don't you know you drive me crazy? I need for you to kill sound, throw to the ground. You can't just Steppa Choice sound, we will kill your sound.
Kirk, you
and
spin.
you know,
Hear that tune, you know. I feel like I did cricket with Kingston, Jamaica back in the 87, 88. Shandy Star. Remember, I'ma tell you. And them men go so again.
You have no pride to test the number one song called Steppa Choice, yeah. You turn away and throw the plate and you throw one back. You jump and sound Kiwi, yeah. Go home and try again, boy. Steppa Choice and we mash you up. Cheer you up and send you home with a broken sound. Now I'm just the number one sound in the whole wide world. Steppa Choice and we kill your sound. So why you done that already?
Choice. Security. I saw just then.
Security. Danger. Steppa Choice a danger. I want to pick up the big bad danger sound. Steppa Choice. Seen with the man called Ryan, the man called Kirk. Shaking our intention. Bujo, Lumberjee, and the man called Itchy. See?
Now, Kirk, you are the banker, and I like your style. Twinkle, authentic tune. Yeah. And the make us know.
That's all what Steppa Choice sound will say. Here goes my instinct.
Hey.
Steppa Choice sound me murdering sound easily. Don't test my sound, don't challenge my sound. Forgive me. And that's all that I will say. Steppa Choice sound been kill me jumping easily. Here goes my instinct. Steppa Choice sound been murdering sound all over town. And we will say sound wise. Sound wise, if it's Steppa Choice sound tonight.
Yeah, to the voice of Foxy Brown.
Sound wise, it is my champion sound at any time.
Hey.
Ooh, at any love. Steppa Choice gonna jump and sound tonight. Steppa Choice will sound easily. And that's all that I will say.
Hey.
Steppa Choice sound.
Again. No farmer disrespect it you and pull it up from the top to the very last drop. What you do? Shoot out.
I saw just then.
Shoot out.
Easy bad man. Shabu just want to mix a run things. Kirk don't want to run things. Originally thinking.
Out the armor mountain call.
Look at some virgin drinks. No worries. If for reality you want, let me hear you all the things that I see.
Yeah.
Steppa Choice reality you. Yeah, hear me. And the tribute to Selassie, I great emperor. Who rule the whole world, him rule it enter. Selassie the greatest king. We come out ever. Only king wake up and battlefield with him soldier. Selassie raise him that fear lightning and thunder. Hard balled off the bow in front of every rasta.
You hear that, Kirk?
Yeah. Know where the bird Selassie stand for. He stand for all the trinity. I say strength and power. Jaga lick the whole of them with brimstone and fire. If for reality you want,
Make me hear your ball out, Steppa Choice.
Rastafari reality you want.
Make me hear your ball, it sound nice.
From Celestia 5 man rule the throne of Addis Ababa. 72 nation from all over. Bound them from Selassie I the great emperor. In 1930.
Yeah.
Everywhere you see Steppa Choice, you want sound clash.
Pull up that one here. A big tune. Not many tune can play culture.
You are now rocking with Steppa Choice, the champion sound.
Yeah.
When it comes to killing sound, Steppa Choice don't partial. Step up culture. Easy, Mike Yanker. Run the rhythm. Steppa Choice.
Tinkle.
Sound clash. The sound not play the most about the bull.
Out of the taxi.
Worry.
Taxi.
Show Steppa Choice.
Tinkle.
Everywhere you see Steppa Choice, you want sound clash.
Yes, I am.
Everywhere you see Steppa Choice, you want sound clash.
Down to culture.
Everywhere you see Steppa Choice, you want sound clash.
And them look and them say.
Everywhere you see Steppa Choice, you want sound clash.
Complete yourself.
Monday morning come, the sound boy absent.
Say what?
Tuesday morning come, him don't turn up at all.
Still asleep.
Wednesday evening come, I woulda eat a little fresh rice, cause I'm a italist. Thursday evening come, him don't turn up at all.
Hey.
Friday morning come, when I'm about to get my pay. And the sound boy try to put way out it, away my Steppa Choice.
Super.
Everywhere you see Steppa Choice, you want sound clash.
And them not spend the money if you know though.
Everywhere you see Steppa Choice, you want sound class.
Yeah, me know, Steppa Choice a big bad sound, and me I say Buju, me I say Kirk, me I say Ryan, each one, Lambo G, a big bad sound, with big bad artists, you hear my culture, mother sound.
Champion sound, Steppa Choice. No worries now. Culture they alive. Hard Steppa Choice.
Watch me no waggy.
Watali bam bam hey, inna this a sound clash. Watali bam bam hey, inna this a sound clash. My good old prophet Steppa Choice, prophesy say. San Diego, Dallo, Vigo, and Kingston is gonna meet.
Man, I'm a Steppa Choice, or the better choice. Whatever, whenever them playing smart and not being clever and book up and known endeavor. Mr. Ryan, Mr. Little One, Mr. Lambo J, Mr. Buju, Mr. Kirk, Mr. Peter and for the big son. Original culture of all culture. Blaze it up with some punch. Kick it.
Champion sound, Steppa Choice. In a culture of the house. Whoa. Steppa Choice. Murder and Steppa Choice. Trouble Steppa Choice. Hot Steppa Choice. Trouble.
Easy Bob Steele.
When I was just a kid, Steppa Choice teach me her song.
Bob Steele, them rich.
This sound carry no backbiters. This sound carry no backbiters. This sound carry no backbiters. Only to carry the righteous people. Whoa. This Steppa Choice, the champion sound.
Okay.
This sound carry no warmonger. This sound Steppa Choice, the champion sound. This sound carry no backbiters. This sound.
What a sound. Steppa Choice sound. Killing sound. Murder sound. No sound test. Keep going. Alright. Steppa Choice not gonna wait till no special.
Emergency! This is Steppa Choice!
Are the big champion sound, man? Steppa Choice sound. Man like Ryan. Itchy One. Kirk. Lombardi. Shaky. And Buju. Silver Tone says so. Big champion sound. Hi. What a sound. Steppa Choice sound. Killing sound. Murder sound. No sound test.
You.
Kiko. Alright.
Each one the next time we're gonna make Kirk play the sound. Kirk, no back down from it in the Kirk. How do you?
To kill a timpan sound.
What you say?
Steppa Choice sound not gonna wait till no special hour.
Hey.
To kill a dibby sound.
That's you.
No other sound can press Steppa Choice sound. Steppa Choice, you know you're the best sound around. In the midnight hour,
hey.
In the midnight hour. One more thing I just want to say right now. Say, wow! Steppa Choice sound not gonna wait till stars around. To twinkle in the dancehall. Steppa Choice sound not gonna wait till no special hour. Steppa Choice kill a sound with a dubplate to his face. All idiot sound have to run, leave this place. Don't be like a night when it's dark. Steppa Choice sound, hey, is the nearest to your heart. Steppa Choice gonna kill a sound tonight. Steppa Choice gonna kill a sound tonight, hey. All the rest of sound, them a floppy sound. Steppa Choice sound, yeah, is the #1 sound, hey. Don't stick around and just look at me. Steppa Choice gonna kill the sound tonight. Steppa Choice gonna murder somebody tonight.
Hey.
Steppa Choice sound, #1 sound, millennium sound. I him away the crown. No sound test. Only Steppa Choice can cross the silver tone test up. All the rest of sound, them a hurry come up sound. Steppa Choice sound, yeah, is the champion sound.
Yeah, it's a big sound.
Don't stick around and just look at me.
Yeah,
Steppa Choice gonna kill a sound tonight. Steppa Choice gonna murder a sound boy tonight.
Hey, sound boy.
You have to make a final one, then we'll come back to Firehouse Rock. Twinkle, Heatwave.
Big up Ryan, yes, Kirk.
Bob Steele, I like what you're tuning in, what you say. Now for the little young selector, them can't follow that story, alright? Yeah, for real.
Steppa Choice, I go kill your song tonight. Truly, emergency. So why you do it to fight? It doesn't mean a thing to me. No, that your song died tragically. 'Cause you were wrong to test the champion with your rusty drum pan. Yeah. Jump and sound boy. If you never try, your song wouldn't die. Most definitely. Oh yeah. Really. Steppa Choice are the A1 sound. Really. Runway with your tin pan sound. Runway. You don't know what you were saying.
Hello, freeness.
Should have changed your plan. 'Cause right now, sound boy, you confused. This a clash, we know you're bound to lose.
Hey.
I said it's true. Steppa Choice are the toughest.
Hey. Yes, Steppa Choice. May I tell you, on a tune them expensive. Enough people now play no tune where they even halfway close to them tune. The Kirk want a money for borrow, but I don't even think they can borrow it from you again, God. Amount of money you spend. Yeah, and the tune them sound good to me now like. If them not sound good, me chat. Because when me chat, the boy can't tell me in my mouth. On the bad, on the tune them sound good. Right, Ron? I mean, how that your man the sound so? Hey, Ron? No, them youth are bad. Alright. But anyway, as we move on, you don't know, so we just go and juggle nice and easy. I Heatwave again. Firehouse Rock, Twinkle.
Big of a sound, man. Heatwave, man. Lick the boy, make it do an like cave, man. We no play. No false voice, man. Original road boy.
Hold on, Flower Gun, my Bible.
Out of Flower Gun alongside Sanchez.
Run it to it, boy. Yeah, man. Pick up the gun, road boy.
You don't know Flower Gun. Time me your buck up, don't know.
People
can't play by the Heatwave alone.
Your sound to mine is a jumping sound.
Yeah.
Heatwave is hard to die.
Swap.
Heatwave plays like the skies that blue. and stars that brightly shine. Heatwave sound is sweet like violin.
Hey, Bobby Digital, the boss, all when you're in your bed, me a big yo.
Warm like summer.
King Jammers.
Heatwave, I love you. Yes, I love you. Heatwave, I love you. And oh, so many.
What flower gone there?
Lord, that's why when we kill his son, you know we never deterrate. Over a fence, man, I where we screechy. Man, you should have seen we with the big mouth special. When the boys see we, it a run from we, but we are big heavy sound. Big heavy sound. Kill down a country.
Dash, cause on a sound clash.
You've been awarded with a whole heap of honor.
I want to call Western Union rock.
This contribution you have given to it, budget and respect.
Kirk, make sure you send some money go yard go put on me. Listen me now.
And I'm not praying them send and give them friends.
Out of Buju Bands and Bob Steele, me know your thing real, you know. Jamaica National lean with your money.
Will! Your mother can, you will burn.
Bob Steele, Jamaica National lean with your money we have done there.
People them use a robot of slave. Brave!
Twinkle.
Oh yes. I hate you about tell massive them in here some boy we not watching them. It is hate you to tell the world. Things change, now them see say life hard. They never used to say no money come a yard.
You rich you?
Just when you all a eat abroad, squander your money. Watch them eat wave
again.
Why get the put come down in a one pants? Broken and no money eat we have no response. Now abiding city, one pressure for we ranch. And when him they are foreign in the team.
Hey brother, go and pull up that one for you, cause I know say the next side of Jamaica National lean with your one, you know.
You've been awarded with
pick up all of the Bocas crew too, you know.
Yeah. Tremendous contribution you have
Log
to
on. Heatwave and Steppa Choice on the building.
People and have someone go to foreign and I'm not praying them send and give them friend. Warn them.
I know so the next flashback of the last Saturday and me all white Icarios. And I'm not gonna tell you who we're gonna do
and you will burn.
Pick up the Beans Road crew, Firehouse Compound, Samarkand.
Oh yes. If you want to tell massive them in here some boy, we're not watching them.
He's your father, Ron Nelson.
Things change, now them see say life hard. They never used to say no money come a yard. You're rich, yo, you spend the whole of it abroad. Squander your money, watch it.
And them make us know.
Why get the put come down in a one pants? Broken and no money eat, we have no response. Now abiding city, one pressure for we ranch. And when him they are foreign in the important. But him never did a look back, never did a glance. Never know him would a tumble over like an avalanche. Mama in a the hole, him don't buy her alarm. Not a line, not a letter, nor a 50 cents. Now, if I want a boot and cannot go to remittance. When me hear the boy get dip, you know me vibes come. Send him back, Uncle Sam. Him get the on a ramp. And no fuel out your wall and in the camp. Things change, now them see say life hard. Why you never send no money come here? Yeah, you rich, yo. You spend the whole of it abroad. Squander your money. Heatwave, you want dropping on the snow from about 79. You never get the chance, cause it wasn't our time. I mean, you them they are foreign and commit the most crime. I make a bag of money, me could do make a line. Now you was send your little brother in the food stamp line. Remember one time gone, oh you used to brag. Benz and Lexus, how you did have.
Claps all over the way you have in a bag.
Close it, you know they still have a name tag. No, them crash up, them mash up, them never set a plan. Them say sweet, we have an hour expansion.
Hey.
Things change, now them see say life hard. Why you never send a penny come a yard? Retro, you spend the whole of it abroad. It will tell boy them this.
What me sing say?
Back together again. Prepare me friend, dust off your clothes and start from scratch again.
I hate to see my friends get deported to Jamaica and don't have anything. So you see all I man where they are foreign where they no citizen boya, or them no sit well. Want to make sure, say, want to send some money go a yard. As we move on, we feature Buju, Gargamel, Bantam, Tinkle.
You're a natural mystic, damn it. Anything will make out of plastic.
Yeah.
Anytime it just go work for it.
Yes, Heatwave, this is the right thing.
I used to be saying, down the best friend, Bobby, I'm going to say. Lord of mercy. Big up one winner, Mr.
Out of Gargamel.
What tell them, sir? Heatwave, no coming in, no spread no rumor, wave a vigilante. Heatwave no mix up with CIA. Not essential, no information, we suspect foul play. Bad boy, Heatwave, you're a natural mystic, damn it, anything will make out of plastic. Anytime it just come over for watch it, watch us spread the phone. Easy, Mr. Glenn, come on, big friend. Bobby, I'm gonna see. Lord of mercy. Big up one away, Mr. Frankenstein. What tell them, sir? Heatwave. No going in, no spread no rumor, wave of vigilante. Heatwave no mix up with CIA.
No time.
Accusation, no information, we suspect foul play.
We shoot all party boy and all gay.
Bragger roots, they bust the 45, not a naked.
Right.
Them have the shells in all the courthouse on display. What the sound testify it off with all on no way. I had we live with gunshot fire.
Every day.
Just a sentence them no. No wait another day. Have we sound on all the movements.
Under every display.
Throughout the dance hall.
Watch what you say.
Yeah, this Heatwave, you're not gonna see your next. So no cover them, no spread no rumor, wave of vigilante. Bad boy no mix up with CIA. Lock up the station, no information, we suspect foul play. Rude boy no mix.
Now Kirk, I know you love Heatwave especially, but I'm going to really have some fear.
Yeah. Any boy this way, you know we take a order. Why Heatwave, you know we run things for real. For real, no bagging no. So no cover them, no spread no rumor, we are vigilante.
You see the next tune will come at Dunkirk and Uptown. Spragga Benz and Sanchez, watch out.
We have this, I want to say no like a fool to say it over and over again. No like a fool.
Out of Spragga Benz alongside Sanchez.
Sanchez and Spragga Benz for the end. I want to beg my friends, play the large all white warrior, the warmonger. Bobby the Stallion, the one of the selector.
Run come test week. Hey, whenever run come.
Out of Spragga Benz Sanchez.
Hey, Mr. Madden, I want you to build me some coffin. Build me a coffin. Hey, Mr. Madden, I want you build me.
Hey, Kirk, I put it down, you know. I'm ignorant, you know, Kirk.
We have this, I want to say no like a fool to say it over and over again. No,
yeah, for real. I want to take out the whip. Because you don't know the thing, go. We're ignorant. And we're dark. Even though you used to watch GSU, we're dark sometimes.
Hey, run come test week.
Out of Sanchez, Spragga. And I make us so now.
Hey, Mr. Madden, I want you to build me some coffin. Build me a coffin. Hey, Mr. Madden, I want you build me a coffin.
Boy, try this heat.
Lord God knows.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Madden, I want you to build me a coffin. Build me a coffin. Hey, Mr. Madden, I want you to build me a coffin.
If you ever tell the world again. So we know in a long argument, with no guys. So in a long argument, this Heatwave you got to die. We know in enough
Lockdown chasing,
no time wasting, gunshot a blaze bad guy. We know in a long argument with Heatwave compliments. Copper shot to sing a boy lullaby.
And the men go so now.
Boy come out and him a behave erratic, posing with
hey Dunkirk crew.
Making trouble and causing static, disturb the peace and a create.
One more Spragga Benz for them.
Tell fool them this Heatwave, watch ya. Now we moving cold-hearted and
kinda scratching and watch it.
After dark, Heatwave now got you
know.
We are truth but merciless and vicious, and we now got delay from a gunshot but we moving cold-hearted, merciless, cause everything we trust fake, we not take no check.
They're complex
with we big interest, take on anything class, the mother I gonna meet them dead. So we ask who next we cripple, who next we kill, who next we gonna sound fool if you're seeking fame and wealth. Don't try look it up.
Down to Spragga Benz, Dunkirk family, big up yourself, see your face, pretty.
Easy, Bobby. Large up, there you go. Yeah. Forward.
Kinda scratching and watch it.
Heatwave. On the case like a big wave. Tell the fool them this Heatwave, watch ya. And we moving cold-hearted and dangerous. Not a shot after dark. Heatwave now got you
right.
But merciless and vicious, and we now got the list. Chatty, but we moving cold-hearted, merciless. Cause everything we trust fake, we not take no check. Circumspect with we big interest, take on anything class. The mother I gonna meet them dead. So we ask who next we cripple, who next we kill, who next we gonna lie. I gonna write them who next we send them go under the ground. Who next want chat to the big magnum? Who next feel wicked? Who next feel bad? Who next want chat to the Glock where we have? Who next want to when them born blood I run pig already? So make them come because we moving cold-hearted and dangerous.
Yeah.
No shot after that.
Reggae roots never trust a Ghana Binz Road and Company and when I run. Shabba.
Now you know say it we have something different summer footage. Capital
Out of father Shabba ranking.
One into all it we people them. If you know hear we right now.
Sure.
One into Binz Road man again. Feel like you come no one. If you go on like say you wicked test it weave on your dead. Long time the pussy dead for dead.
Super.
The selecting sound and piece of music pop up in your head. Papa, pam pam pam. Now you know say it we have
Isn't
some
around.
different summer footage. Capital band.
Out of Shabba ranking.
One into all it we people.
I got a wheel of 5 Shabba ranking including a new one.
One into Binz Road man again.
I know when you say Heatwave, it says Shabba. Spragger.
If you go on like say you wicked test it weave on your dead.
Swah.
Long time the pussy dead for dead. If you selecting sound and piece of music pop up in your head. Long time the one dead for dead. What's in a date it could have sit not in a life. And you know say Heatwave is the sound that keep the dance alive. What's in a date it could have never seen a life. And if the day suspect a pay 45 exercise. If it's Heatwave it is double organized. And anything test we cut them to them size. Foolish dog, what is your price? You bark off a burden that you don't realize. You have nothing to get, no shot, no surprise. Heatwave makes sound boy slip and slide. If you be good and you dead, this is what the enemy said. Long time that one day for dead.
Yeah man, so you have some people see and skin them teeth with them and I said, that boy if dead long time. And when you say to a father God be dealing, no care what them say. As we move on, Shabba again.
Now first next to all the Binz Road to Waterhouse.
That one your name.
All of the massive of the music will listen. Daddy Roots and Sturgap. This is not Sturgap and Daddy Roots. Heatwave. Spot that selected it and done. Kill them with the hardcore rub and down. Heatwave waves, sprang that selected it and done. Kill them with the hardcore rub and down. Can you hear me say? Heatwave and the better sound. So tell all the clowns of the hills out. Bada bang bang bang. Heatwave and the better sound. So tell all the clowns of the hills out. Here I, clown sound, full sound, focus sound, idiot sound. Go and tell all of this, so say Heatwave run town. We are the better sound. Kill with the rubber, don't come, we are the better sound. That's right, you get Shabba Tinga
and the one ninja.
Sanchez holding melody,
big bouncing up.
No we touch Johnny Clark
and we touch Pincher.
We are the better sound. Kill them with the better sound.
You call them Junior Sample.
Now first next to all the Binz Road to Waterhouse, Scott Burnt Pen. All of the massive of the music will listen. Daddy Roots and Sturgap. This is not Sturgap and Daddy Roots. Heatwave. Stop that selected it and done. Kill them with the hardcore rub and down. Heatwave waves sprang that selected it.
Hey them Junior Sample.
Kill them with the hardcore rub and down. Can you hear me say? Heatwave and the better sound.
Yeah.
So tell all the clowns of the hill.
Buckers back and the Christian crew.
Heatwave and the better sound.
Hey to while massive thing on the zone.
All the clowns of the hill.
And them make us know what Binz Road.
Sound, full sound, focus sound, idiot sound. Go and tell all of this, so say Heatwave run town.
We are the
better sound. Kill with the rubber, don't come, we are the better sound.
Bottom coil.
You get Shabba Tinga
and you get Ninja.
Sanchez holding melody,
beat bouncing up.
No we touch Johnny Clark
and we touch Pincher.
And we have the better sound. Kill them with the better sound. Heatwave sound it and the better sound. That's why, cause it's a flick of money.
Oh Jamaica co basket.
Everybody love when strong as select.
Tell them Shabba.
Y'all turn and twist.
Like I'm a dance, them a kick.
Watch the gang, them out, them sexy no bit.
We are the better sound. Yeah, hear me now? Fight. You want? I'm going to give you a next Shabba. Listen to that one here, Shabba and Richie Stevens run. Watch her.
I don't care what I'm saying, Heatwave is the best. Sound?
I don't normally play that one here because sound name calling night.
Richie Stevens and Shabba run.
But I'm going to give that one here run Nelson. Listen to me. Look go so now.
If you try to test me, throw you down. So now, if you try to test me, throw you down. Heatwave at the time.
That one I make you know say enough of them never like when we play so on a yard in a run. Listen it.
Oh lordy, lordy, we like to party. We don't mess around, we don't trouble anybody. We not play with old man we run down. If them want test, Heatwave a big showdown. We not play with old man we run down. If them want test, Heatwave a big showdown. Bragga dabba dabba dabba, play Dubplate a run.
Oh, watch us some boy, I run up and down.
Yeah.
If I'm body can't, tell me test and come.
You hear that?
If I stole love, just tell me test and come.
Again.
And then me find out who have the
That's why them couldn't take we in a run, cause we make tune for them.
And you be walking around and you say you have a bass, but later on you have a confess. Heatwave is no contest. Son, why you confess?
We not play when whole pan them up to run up and down. This Heatwave it is a big showdown. We not play with whole pan them up to run. This Heatwave it is a big showdown. Heatwave is the sound, it is the gargan sun. 25 sound and we show them down.
Kirk, them time here with us, I enjoy the music business, and when we say clash with us, play some tune and with us make some tune with some sound name and night, and them couldn't take away. Cause them time they are Bobby Digital around the whole place. You see what I say? So as we move on, Ron, how much Shabba take it? 4? Hold that one here.
I don't merit. Even disrespect compound people get the casket and Waters people blessed for the love. Tarael, Savior, Saga, right out now, Spraga. Anything test it, we have dead. Right out the name of my death certificate. Lord of His mercy. My killer Christian people. They'll know say we cherish evil.
Twinkle.
Waters, Black Wine.
Hey, Bradley.
I'm from Tawai and Capburn Pen. Let them know say Heatwave. When the news on the bed, when the ball is on the border. There is no sound that deed we afraid of. When the news on the bed, when the ball is on the powder. Fool! Oh, you fit as a rubber dub master. Some little sound boy, what is the matter with them? I play in a dancehall figure, them a Heatwave a friend, nothing no heighty, fleet, the flight, the boss like a face a row. I been for even for them best friend and them. Nah play no original Dubplate again. Cool, fool, Heatwave done roll. If you disrespect Heatwave, you know your blood full of hole. Cool, fool. Spraga him done roll. Exercise up your speciality as a tool. Fool, Heatwave done roll. Original veteran in the dance floor.
Right.
And I rock with the dub them. If I look
dash.
Hey, I want them take it for Heatwave with a powder man. I want a lotion man. That means say also man. Dress man.
Yeah.
I want to
what you say? High fashion.
Cause if a sound test Heatwave, in no make them a serve. Sound test Heatwave, in no make them a. And if a sound test Heatwave, in no make them a serve. Sound test Heatwave, him no make them a. So I gotta go give him what him want and give him what him deserve. Just to tackle his mind and don't to damage his nerves. Have to see one sign and observe. Him no know pronoun different from the verb. Foolish dog back and flying bird. Heatwave come first, no second. Cause if a sound test Heatwave, him no make them a serve. Sound test Heatwave, him no make them a serve. Sound test Heatwave, him no make them a serve. Sound test Heatwave, him no make them a serve. Because a idiot sound boy, him want come test. And now he hungry wind up in a mess. Just big up the back, you could have push up the chest. Me know you now wear no bulletproof vest. Spraga there, to kill your pistolets.
Right.
Bobby there, to kill your pistolets. East, west, north and south. It is Heatwave they're talking about. If a sound test.
You see the next tune, under the girl them frock me I go right now. Yeah. Yeah. So what?
You know what the girl in my Heatwave business.
How tell me name CX Spraga Ben Twinkle.
Who would have to tell them that trailer load? I would tell them sir. If I saw we are go dead, we are feel dead. Heatwave now stop jacket up.
Dig out the way.
Here down pallet.
I mean we beg.
Here we do nearly anything for even push in the head. And if I saw we are go dead, we are feel dead. We prefer lose my life between a woman leg. Me no deal with Andrew nor Fred. I forget the fat sex home and every night cow man I like jokes. Worse than coke and crack me addicted to man and just can't stop. Bleach the whole night just to get a one slap. My weakness under
The woman frock.
Me never. When me reach the climax, that's my medicine. Prescribed by the doctor, me no shame about nothing is a natural fact. Heatwave, we a tube and sex mania. Califa, so we are dead, we are fit dead. A digital non-stop jockey to big up the weather. Here don't panic me with bag. Me prefer lose my life. Heatwave, tell them safe, so we are dead, we are fit.
Heatwave cars, them sound the alley, I talk about them a poop out. You don't know with a poop out.
Ron, you still a get Shabba, you know. You hear that, Ron? Combination, again, Twinkle. Outer. What's Shabba there, Richie? What the boss there?
So beat them, Heatwave, beat them, Heatwave, beat them. Hit them, come on, them. Roll, come roll, after roll them. Run fast in that means we need them. Design Jesus Christ.
Think called DJ lay down pan rhythm like a lizard pan limb.
Disciple them, some get ready and them come back again. Shabba ranks and Richie Stephen leave them in a problem. Yes, I can see them a cow. But if we a conqueror, I can see them a cow. But each way a conqueror, so you wrong. We jumble each way, son, why you wrong? Boy, so you wrong. Send come cow.
Watch me again.
Cows, Heatwave is alive.
I see the next tune.
The lion will
me make that tune a special if a killer sound come from country, come a town, come try test me one time. Here you know.
Pop out 38 and shoot in the face and put it back his bird gun that. You talking
what
about
have to call on him? Tinkle.
Just watch him out and watch how you chat, you know. Run that to one Heatwave like a man of train. See that? Put more jungle, see what you're about.
Sound to sound is so and just
Barrington leave
alongside. Out to Barrington leave alongside.
I set mine.
Tell them Heatwave.
I set mine.
Watch your
mine. Man, know you round up your mouth, son boy.
Watch it.
I set mine.
Mine.
I know you round up your mouth, son boy.
Clock the pan target.
Oh yeah.
Out to Barrington leave alongside.
Dibby dibby son boy, hold your space. Dibby dibby son boy, hold your space. And don't you try to test the Heatwave. And don't you try to test the Heatwave.
You get that?
I said for mine. Know your friends, know your company.
We're Fabulous.
Who no see me gun can't talk, but who see dead I rather rinse the machine till the nozzle run red. You coulda in a wheelchair. Your life now go spare between you and the car for oh no make it out clear. Dreadful and wicked man from Portmore. Oh I see we gun and that must die for sure. And a friend we a big shadow says skull fi bore.
Right.
It not take we nothing fi circle a boy score. And we gun under we pillar we no left it on the floor. Oh I see we stay so asleep and a snore. Tell him I friend them fi blow up on me door. If I kill him, Heatwave we tour. Who knows if we gun can't talk,
but who see dead?
I rather rinse the machine till the nozzle run red. You coulda in a wheelchair. Your life now go spare.
I said mine. Man, all you roll up your mouth. Chatty mouth said up, mind your mouth. Chatty mouth said up, mind your mouth. And can you keep a secret? Keep it in your mind. Don't tell it to your brother, man.
Oh, stop a lick up in the air and a fly. Gunshot make that float like a saucer so high. Both things a mash up 5 and 3 8 fly. Hold through the wall, people see it and a
dash.
La 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Ding why? Why? Come you say bubble make your waistline roll. Girl pitney make your waistline roll. She put one hand in the ear like a TV pole. Chest on her belly and her waistline a roll. Watch her like a ball.
Down to the voice.
Control. A sound test Heatwave, yes, they must lose them soul. Sha la 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 la.
Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Ling why? So no absence. I this selector with a behind it, standing in him. Ooh. So no absence. I the operator with a behind it. Hear this. Test it, baby, you want for fit, you want for fit. Come test it, baby, you want for fit. Fit. To come in and dance, you want for smart. Smart. To come in and dance, you want for smart. Smart. Well, in the morning, that's the rise. Put on my chops, I got exercise. Eat your music, make me fit. Fit. Walk on the road, me no trouble, no one, me no eat no steak, me no eat no ham. Grandma grew me as a vegetarian. Music is my application. Going on the field, go pick some yam. Pick some can music, make a shaman scoop in the come and get it for yam. Start to sing on one bam bam. Heatwave bigger, yes, I'm strong. That's our number one. Standing and hinging, why. Heatwave bigger, yes, I'm strong. And we come run session. Hear this. Fit you want for fit. Come test it, baby, you want for fit. Fit. To come in and dance, you want for smart. Smart. To come in and dance, you want for smart. Smart. Well, in the morning, as I rise, put on my trucks, I got exercise. Eat your music, make me fit. Fit. Walk on the road, me no trouble, no one minute.
As we move on, Twinkle.
Start the killing, Papa.
Why?
Out of Clarendon, Cocoa Tea, Twinkle.
Oh, Lord. Reggae music of it one.
Right, Will.
Them say tune na cocoa in other run. Oh yeah. Cabra in other run.
Start the killing anyway. Watch this. Big gun pop up. They brain a fly. Business a who no find you this that fi die. Big gun pop up. They brain a fly. Business a who no find you this that fi die. Whoa, I look and observe and see boy brain a fly. Me look and observe the 45 gold high. Me look and observe see some boy brain jump out. The body they are not in the brain they are south. I look and observe and see sound get jug. Cocotti wood boy give them body bag and sing.
Heatwave is not for sale or rent.
You know.
Ooh, we ain't to them a center say. We don't powder sound boy. We are the king for the road. Enough of them come with them every load. And Heatwave sound just push them off the road because we don't pet nor powder. We are the king.
This when they talk about king of the road. Make them what they know say Heatwave sound now one bench. I know sound why Heatwave make take defense. Them think say bad man gonna have time for one bench. Murder sound boy no.
It's the Spranger Roads. Mr. Ford and Planet, I'm gonna see Glenn, big up all Heatwave masters, them white towns.
Out of the Gargamel Twinkle.
Heatwave see them coming. Bobby look and Heatwave see them coming. And I think we're run. Well, Heatwave see, yeah, Heatwave sing. Lord, murderer, blood is on your shoulder. Dust them today, we are gonna dust them tomorrow. Murder, your inside must see Allah. You try test Heatwave and come follow. Murderer, blood upon your shoulder. Dust them today, we are gonna dust them tomorrow. Murder, your inside must see Allah. Your digital crew, Allah, Lord. Yes, you can hide from man, but not your conscience. Who know you the bread, that's how you drink the wine of violence. Allow yourself to be conquered by the serpent. Heatwave, why them disobey the first commandment? Step through the dance and we fear no pestilence. God of you we weakness, yes him and we evidence. Lift up with up from whence cometh ill. Them coulda never escape. Heatwave sing murderer, blood is on your shoulder. Kill them today, we are gonna dust them tomorrow. Murder, your inside must be Allah. How does it feel to take a life? Yes, I sing, all man are created equal. But behind the planet is a different sequel. Some a murder people just to collect me that stop commit dirty. For the eye official, you coulda one
wash your hand till you can't wash no more. It is like an epidemic and you won't come.
Anorexical body. Original Spragga selector. I've been so nice. Waterhouse girl got pum pum. Maxfield girl with good pum pum. Tower Hill girls
Down to Shabba.
Pum pum. Girls good pum pum. Binge girl have good pum.
All of the binges.
Lot of mercy. To ambiguous case, some y'all have no face. Anorexia space for summer, them like a ship. To ambiguous case, some y'all have no face. Anorexia space for summer, them like a ship. Where your brown face there, where you have yesterday. To ambiguous case, a black face today. Girl, where your body there, where you have yesterday. Anorexia space, look how you skinny you are. Jump around, you have the natural body, you hear me. Anywhere you go, you look vitally. Watch this, wind up your line, you have the natural beauty, you hear me. Anywhere you go, them call you cutie. Know the Heatwave girls have the natural body. And they eat up the food substantially. And they eat up the food, supply energy. When they come a Heatwave, them a wind them body. To ambiguous case, some y'all not the face. Anorexia space for summer, them like a shape. Where your brown face day, where you have yesterday. Anorexia space, how you skinny, where your black face day.
American and Canadian and Jamaican. For real, brother. Watch it.
A Heatwave, yes I feel the people them Heatwave. For real Spragga, him a kill them Heatwave. Yes I feel the people them Heatwave. With Spragga roots him a kill them.
Suko.
Have some sound, people not follow them. Cause when them a play man, them not play nothing. But when they hear the Heatwave, them a be find them. Cause Heatwave are the style but I give them. For real Spragga roots him no stop kill them. For real Heatwave have music for them. For real water house posse people follow him. For real front line posse follow Heatwave.
I see the next tune dedicated to all of the ladies them.
For real Kingston.
Yeah man, I Heatwave a cater for the ladies.
For real Walton people love Heatwave. For real in America them love Heatwave. That's why have some sound. Them not say nothing.
Right.
When them a play, them not play for the people them.
So what?
Heatwave sound, say it play for them. Along with Spragga roots, them a say left for them. For real what Spragga make the gal skin out. For real Spragga teach them the way we broke out. For real Heatwave teach them how to skin out. For real Heatwave teach them to bob down go down. For real Heatwave teach them how to sit down pan it.
For real
Heatwave make them know hard and stiff. For real Heatwave make them know how to go down. For real Heatwave make them body feel young.
Again.
Some gal picnic and the Heatwave come.
Hey.
Tell the world that somebody to sit down.
Hey, watch me, I know. Alright, we'll play one more Sanchez, then we'll bring cross Steppa Choice. You don't know the thing, guys. You move on, think all.
The very first time that I heard your sweet sound, Heatwave, you said hello and I said hi.
Alright.
I knew right then you were the sound.
Down to the voice of Coffin.
But I was caught up in a Heatwave attraction. But to my satisfaction, Heatwave, you are the sound for me.
Run it, Bobby. And all Heatwave massive man, no worry.
Our girls. Heatwave sound of murderer. The very first time that I hear your sweet sound, Heatwave, you said hello and I said
Sanchez say
I knew right then you were the sound.
And the mingle said
But I was caught up in a Heatwave attraction. But to my satisfaction, Heatwave, you are the sound for me.
It's a lady sound.
If I ever fall in love again, I will be sure that the sound is just a friend. When if I ever fall in love so true, I will be sure that the sound is just like you.
Body.
Oh yeah. Now people say that I
will be your one and only.
Just promise that it'll never leave me lonely. I just wanna be the one you need. So Lord have mercy. I just wanna be the one to serve you. Sometimes I feel as if I don't deserve you. I cherish every Dubplate that you play. When if I ever fall in love
Now to San, Itchy one, I'm going to make one more tune. You know why? Itchy one. You see you.
Steppa choice.
You see
Nothing
you,
like
Itchy
mama.
one.
Steppa choice.
Steppa choice. Steppa choice. Steppa choice. Steppa choice. Steppa choice.
Mama, me love you so. All my days. You know this is Steppa choice. What up, Bojo? Meanie. Hear me now, man? Itchy one. Run the rhythm, cause some boy you act meanie. Them boy, they not give them mother nothing. Yeah, some boy we are going and they no respect them mother like a hog and goat and dog them born from. But you see me like
well, big up to all of the listeners them out there, see? Yeah, man.
Well, I will always be thankful and always be true for all the things that mama taught me to do. And mama, me love your feature.
I'll chat to man like Merciless.
Me disrespect you. And mama cooking are the greatest. Oh yes,
easy run.
Every sound boy got to contest. And a Steppa choice them are the greatest. Oh yes, everybody just got to contest.
Entertainment, the Steppa choice enjoyment. No matter fighting at the downs. Steppa choice on a play. Steppa choice on a play. No matter what we at the downs. We come for enjoy, we say yeah. We come for enjoy, we say yeah.
A certain sound in a the dance a hidden farmer. Selector and the dance a hidden farmer. Cause them a fight against me sound and a murmur. Yes, them a fight against me sound and a murmur. We used to live good, certain dance we used to play. Them a play 45 and we a play a Dubplate. Sound boy no like that one come test with you. Steppa choice in a the era, murderer. Him and a ruthless culture, murderer. Steppa choice in a the era, murderer. Him and enough Dubplate in me say murderer. It's not a heavyweight, nor is not a top weight. Just a the sound one come test with you. Me no matter where you do, me no matter how you play. Steppa choice at the sound and when me love see you there. See you business to back, I tell you.
Well, then, you keep taking what's not yours, yeah. Bring it on, you got more. Snitching on me now. You're picking up dirty attitudes. What's your future then? I'm not sure. Now you lurk on every corner, trying to make $1 from them quarters. Don't you worry, my friend, give a helping hand. Cause Steppa choice, right and now you kill any freaking jump on. Steppa choice, you kill them jump and sound. And run them out of town. Steppa choice, come make them know you take what the crown. Sit up on the ground, you burn them clown. Kill them jump and sound. And run them out of town. Hey, Steppa choice, come make them know. Say you no beg no friend. Watch out now. Water, when we get a walk, you watch out now. Gunshot out of the mouth, you stay to yourself, you know, each one, you're done, you're a big friend, and we're gonna stick one now. Aye, would you make yourself, don't go and judge them, man, and think of big friend. Alright, well then, chill and jump on. Don't tell me anything wrong. Them test Steppa choice, and a beer banger, and we kill and jump on. And make them play tonight. Steppa choice, we no beg no friend. Yeah. Well, boy, why? Them must see things semi-nice. Boy, me we send your fucking body for eyes. Oh, you test us on name Steppa choice. Man, a real champion, so listen to the voice. Where you kill your door, sizzle like a country. Why them a lose if them want fight? Make them know we murder them a day and any night. I'm not Steppa choice. You don't see the boy, them get to right. Well, then we kill and jump on.
Lots of people keep on skanking.
Steppa choice sound. Easy Steve Harper, easy Calibi. One more. In the sound man juggling. Hey, in the dance we're playing. But this a sound man juggling.
Out there to the late great sugar.
Choice, I know you're ruling. In the sound man juggling. Hey, in the dance we're playing. But this a sound man juggling. Steppa choice, I know you're ruling. Alright.
Security! This is 81!
Number one! For all the Steppa choice fans, whether you doing your back up end, or you come from the hip-hop gang, I know you love a Steppa choice a ball forward. I know you love a Steppa choice a ball forward. I know you love a Steppa choice a ball forward. I know you love a Steppa choice a ball forward. You know, so let me tell you about the sound I know. A Steppa
Every night when it dance all time, step up, play the music, I make me feel so fine. And I know, oh yes I know, a step of choice, you know we love it so. Hey, we compete with them in a step of choice styling. For all the step of choice fans, hey, whether you're doing rubber dubbing or you come from the hip hop gang. Say down in the year of a 73, I met a little stone called a step of choice you see. Right now, me say in the 90s, step of choice, you know when you are on the country, just can't stand him. No, someone can't stand him. No, they can't stop him. Yes, done that.
Quite sure we gonna knock you out. We are the gargle. In a this that we are the gargle. Ah, choice is the gargle. In a this that we are the gargle. Ah, hush up your mouth, some boys if you stop. This is the sound that we're talking about. We are the gargle. In a this that we are the gargle. Ah, yes, we are the gargle. In a this that we are the gargle. Ah. The keys of the way.
In the name of the Lord, step a choice to king teeth, a sounding at the feet. In the name of the Lord, step a choice to king teeth, a sounding at the feet. Boy, you will just step a choice, oh, just step a choice. You will just step a choice, oh, wait you. You will just step a choice, oh, just step a choice. You will just step a choice, oh, wait you just step a choice, up spicy. Kill every posse, all of the girls in the tight mini. Circle the crew and circle down the posse. Don't you know step a choice, wait you. Rock them already and we rock them up. Step a choice, we listen.
So if it's a well equipped and we're the latest, we're dangerous. Step up a bad man sound. Big bump up on them, girl, they on the bomb, dangerous. Choice of the bad man sound. Fresh like a rose in a one time slows, dangerous. Choice of the bad man sound. Me and the crew, the bank saver too, dangerous. Just me a bad man sound. Careful where you wish your mind where you are. Yes, we make you go in and the box got draw. And turn it, can't say nah. Sabotage me of them star. Cause if it's a well equipped and play the latest, we're dangerous. Sabotage a bad man sound. Big bump up and crack, say you are the bomb, dangerous. Just you a bad man sound. Fresh like a rose, so them only oppose, dangerous. Cause me a bad man sound. Me and the crew, the bunks even too dangerous.
Cause we the bad man sound. Idiot sound test me and we bury them. Strange.
Security! This is what you want.
Strange.
Number one. Low crang and a chat like Selena. Emergency! Step on choice! We not work for nothing.
Some son boy over the sun scratch them in a one down. You play so much bad tune. Go and scratch it, son boy, like you have lice. You know, Steppa choice to move through. Watching a big of youth like Butch and youth like Kirk and youth like Shaky. Yeah. Watching them make it play. Instant. No. Don't nastiness. God so wait. I want to them, man. Idiot sound test me and we bury them. Strange. A dead sound test me and we bury them. Strange.
Boy, low crang and a chat like Selena. Bossy batty man, well you should have did come in ya. Show him say, to today I in a marina. We have we knife in a, we back pocket in a, we knife wrap up in a cleaner. Boy, low crang and a chat like Selena. Bossy batty man, well you should have did come in ya. Show him say, she a in a marina. Curd knife in a, him back pocket in a, him knife wrap up in a cleaner. Boy, batty man fi move where I man say. From them test Separatize me, I go run them way. Not wait to tell them to move and go. Shake it, now stay when no party Monday. From them looking away face, them see them dead. Or them fight against Mojo and we not forget. Some big so Gwaan don't know what he bet. Who not run with them have to live and pray.
Out me.
They have a
a gun and me say you need brand new. Step a choice man to test it out, but him not know about who. Boy, make sure say you need you. Gunshot a turn them black and blue. I bet we have a gun and me say you need brand new. Step a choice man to test it out, but him not know about who. Boy, make sure say you need you. Gunshot a turn them black and blue.
We no fire small gun like certain boy.
Emergency! This is Steppa choice.
Man, make it go like roadster. Gunshot a bus, and we don't need no boots. What are them youths up? We're not going to listen to Motown. I get to pick up on the big black boots. You think bad man butcher afraid for shoot ya? Or the girl them thermos Lexus. When you know if I'm a killer, start the blood spilling. Cabra talk. It's full fucking metal jacket. And now in the pussy can't wear this. Canadian bad boy up so round so down so. Run a original bad boy. Chat about.
Thumbs up.
Run that. You don't run that no man. Now them boy. Yeah. Them dead for nothing. Yeah. Yo, shake it. Look at that. Yo, Kirk and Jack. Steppa's choice to win the whole argument, you know. Anyway, well, we no fire small gun like certain boy. We no fire small gun like certain boy. Who see this Steppa says me God will get employed. This Steppa says me God will get employed. Original gangster we prepare to war. Original gangster we prepare to war. Drive-by shooting in a unmarked yard. Drive-by shooting in a unmarked well. Gangster speaking pussy well go sit down. Him and place to run and off he run out of town. Who dare you fi style up bad man as clown? Say you a bad man and can't walk downtown. Dare you fi stand outside a man pound fi pound. Dark get dinner when your brain chop a ground. And be a dead body found. Me style, we no fire small gun like certain boy. We no fire small gun like certain boy. Who see this Steppa says me gun will get employed. See this Steppa says me gun will get employed. Original gangster we prepare to war. Original gangster we prepare to war.
Steppa choice. Steppa choice. Steppa choice.
Shooting in a hot market.
Emergency! This is Steppa choice.
Steppa's choice. Make them know so we kill any pussy wall sound once or twice. We are say Lumberjee and we are say Kirk itchy one. Don't know Bojo. Trouble again. A Steppa's choice in the area. Whoa. Murder again. Sound boy get slaughtered. Whoa. Hey, a sound boy play a tune, a Steppa's choice counteract. The massive them get up on a rare video. Them say that itchy one him no bite him chop. No boy attack can right pound way back. Murder again. A itchy one kill the boy them. Boom. Slaughter again. A Steppa's choice in the area. Boom. It remind me of World War I. Yes, a Steppa choice, never defend that one, no. It remind me of World War II. Yes, a Steppa choice wasn't there for you.
Hey, I hold them up on it. Steppa choice of them soft like a pirate. No, hold them up on it. Steppa choice of them soft. I know what a boom clock and to chumping. You know she said that you want in the lion den. Hold them up on it. Steppa choice of them soft like a pirate. Hey,
Steppa choice a killer sound boy. We no race pass. We no race pass. Special we no race pass. Steppa choice a killer sound boy. We no race pass. We no race pass. So why?
Ready for the one of them now. What we do? Ready for the one of them now. Watch me. Ready for the one of them. Ready for the one of them. Ready for the one of them now. What is that? Ready for the one of them now. Watch me. Ready for the one of them now. What is that? Ready for the one of them. Ready for the one of them. Ready for the one of them now. Cause some jump and come and dance and them a run off them out. Them out see. Thing man knock your dead over them. Thing man a scout. Get them Dubplate up. Make the fuck of them run out. Because we control the east, the west, the north. We run the south. And if some jump and come and dance, you know we must get them out. Some of them run off them out of time. Put them a dance. But they can't touch Bojo because him a bad man. When we go in the dance and not show selection. Anything the boy them play, we do a counteraction. No, we kill a sound and keep with celebration. We are tune, goon, rock the nation. We are play them straight. Son boy you late. Want go get some new tune and get your sound up to date. You come a dance all want to step aside fate. But make the pussy know that now we run the play. Steppa choice it at the down.
Steppa choice gonna kill them now before it gets too late. And a lot of some boys they want complaining, but tell them yes to wait. And the reason why they wanna beat us so badly, because they know we are the champion and we play with lots of quality. Steppa choice will never die, no matter how they try. Steppa choice will never die. Tonight we kill a sound guy. Steppa choice will never die, no matter what we say.
Steppa choice gonna kill sound boy.
Steppa choice will never die.
We not gonna take it easy. We not gonna take it easy. We not gonna take it easy. Steppa choice not gonna take it easy. This is take it easy. We not gonna take it easy. Number one, take it easy. We no sound contest. Steppa choice, it's a dangerous thing. I said it's all in the game. Steppa choice, I gonna murder some boy. We not gonna take it easy. Steppa choice, we not gonna take it easy. Kirky. Sing tanani, tanani, tana, Steppa choice sound. Tanani, 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 ting wine. Tanani, tanani, tana, Steppa choice sound. Why, why? Steppa choice a killer sound, why?
Only juice, shake it. Colonel. Steppa choice. Steppa choice. Only never hold the gun without the dub step on the man.
Emergency! This is Steppa choice!
You should never test Steppa choice. You never listen to go. No, you die. No, you die. You should listen.
Killing day. Only juice, shake it. Colonel. Killing day. Steppa choice. Steppa choice. Only never hold the gun without the dub step on the man. Do someone leaving fingerprints on the murder weapon. Colonel never hold the gun without the dub step on the man. See it in a wall leaving fingerprints on the murder weapon. One of them come here, I go kill them dead. Yeah. Two of them come, we a go run them red. Oh well, we a go put up a face and send them to them bed. Boy, we a booyaka in another sounded. It's a lumberty, I tell you what you got to do. Shine your gun, shine your gun. Shine your gun, road boys. Boy, yeah.
So now go dead on the world.
Emergency! This is Steppa choice!
You know, you heard this wall out of Steppa vice.
Security! This is Itchy One!
None of mercy.
I got number one! I'm a like shaky.
I'm a like Joe. My guns on the low. Missing. Well, so now go dead on the world in hotel. Steppa choice have a gun, name send one hell. Them this Steppa choice in a minute them fell. Get bullet in a them head, them out them brain cell, girl. Sing here me gun them and them style me like a perch. Now them dead with all the men they a girl. Steppa choice in a concert. Hey me tell a boy, if him bad way shall hurt them shirt. In a speak up a second, them must get hurt, them get gun down. In a the miracle law, gun down. Silent gun when I make no sound. In your blood you're going down. Reload, put in another round them good. Gun down, another miracle law. Gun down, silent gun when I make no sound. In your blood you're going down. Cause Steppa choice ain't no down now. Gun shot up corral them. On them so till Steppa choice expel them. Now me kill it on your pinkies, now me tell them. All the five books, informers make them.
Emergency! This is Steppa choice!
I know it's a Steppa choice, this don't. Well, we not have not much to say, no bad man butcher. Yeah, you know, you can't current this go and big up enough. Show them some Steppa choice. New boy never can pass on, don't rate that boy. Lala Bella, King, General Cheese, I'm mourning. Steppa choice. Step up on the bass, step up on the bass. You hear that? We're going to run some blood clot evening tonight. Yeah, you hear me? Why you go dead in ya? If you know what I mean, so you better run out ya. And a revolutionist and we not surrender. You deserve it, but you are informer. Again, sound a go dead in ya. If you know what I mean, you better run out ya. Man a revolutionist and we not surrender. You deserve it, but you are
emergency.
Hey,
this is Steppa choice.
Lullaby. King. General Cheese. I'm mourning. Stop a choice. Step up on the bass. Step up on the bass. You hear that? We're going to run some blood clot evening tonight. Yeah, hear me? Why you go dead in ya? If you know what me know, you better run out ya. Man a revolutionist and we not surrender. You deserve it, but you are informer. Again, sound a go dead in ya. If you know what me know, you better run out ya. Man a revolutionist and we not surrender. You deserve it, but you are informer. Hey, I'm not hey tickle and no fat and no figure. This Steppa choice boy, you diss me Mac 11. Want to go hell down, you want to go heaven. We kill 6 sound, you must see want to make 7 like a lamb to the slaughter. You come give away your life. Look how you get missile from your kids and your wife. You must see it for your pretty coffin where your life. Man a revolution.
Steppa choice at war man. Could have never war man. Said that them a star man. Smoking them cigar man. Acting like a czar man. Head up on the tar man. Bust the SLR man. Them rock the ball in car man. Put you them no rounds man. So we have the rounds man. See them no a town man. Hook up with a brown man. Man a pound man. When them no go down man. One for young a brown man. I pose like them a sound man. Steppa say go down man. Mind you lose your crown man. Never to be found man.
On the place smash up. So go on, baby.
Security! This is Itchy One.
Steppa choice.
Number one.
Let us go make it play. Inside, no delay. Hey, Butcher. First of all, Steppa choice at war man. Could have never power man. Said that them a star man. Smoking them cigar man. Acting like a czar man. Head up on the tar man. Bust the SLR man. Them rock the volume car man. Put you them no rounds man. So we have the rounds man. See them no a town man. Hook up with a brown man. Man a pound man. When them no go down man. One for young a brown man. I pose like them a sound man. Steppa say go down man. Mind you lose your crown man. Never to be found man. Don't about a pound man. Better hold your ground man. Protect who you.
Yeah. Me here say a war them want. That a land them a go get. War them want. That a land them a go get. War them want. Ras. Say Steppa choice, are you hearing me? That's nice. Say but you a wanna be that ain't right. Stop player hating me for my vice. Hear me no soup. Hear me no star. I'm afraid I know so with them face full of scar. You say you get from me. You better stay far, no drive by out me war. Because some sound don't go walk like a killer, talk like a killer, and them know what they.
Security! This is Itchy One. Number one.
But no, Steppa choice. Them boy they take man for to fenke. Make them know say when we are kill son boy we go all American. What up? You know this is Steppa choice. Bujo, Beanie, Itchy One. Make them know say me in me war kitchen. Season up war chicken. These boys only flipping and lipping and dipping. Make them know that when the war is
we don't play the war thing.
Who gonna be
turn up the thing Itchy One.
Hear me no soup, hear me no star. We not afraid of no sound with them face full of scar. You say you get Grammy, you better stay far, not drive by out me war. Because some sound don't go walk like a killer, talk like a killer, and them know of the good star. The heart to pull the trigger, dressed like a killer, impersonate a killer. Come on with Steppa choice and load the jigger. Why them don't go walk like a killer, talk like a killer, and them know of the good star. The heart to pull the trigger, dressed like a killer, impersonate a killer. Me we find hope the grave digger. Bout them a bad sound and them clever. Ride this, ride that, whatever. You should know this being in 97 December. Now me get stronger. Me no need to sponsor Black Talanta make you scream like a Sandra. What up? Ya killer, tell me who you kill. Go look a walk after a mill.
This is the songs of the Steppa choice proverbs. Hey, hey. This is the songs of the Steppa choice proverbs. No, no. Hold up. boy belly. Whoa. Don't ask me that tax, the Steppa Choice posse from down in the city. Hey, bang better angle bang. What da dang. Hey, bang better angle bang. What da. Steppa Choice just killed the sound for we. You kill it on the double, it's emergency. Tonight, night them try test we. Tonight, night them dead and bury. Say them dead. Steppa Choice and the sound boy dead. We coming like a load gun cock to them head. We use a Dubplate and chop off them. And we kill them dead before them spread. Say them dead.
Whoa, hey. Put it back again. Steppa Choice. Hey. Steppa Choice. What make you bad so? What make you bad so? Hey. Put it, I'm gonna keep for me. I'm gonna keep for me. I'm gonna keep for me. And then you mix me. I saw white, the same I got it down, baby. Please, Mr. Undertaker, please pass it key. Tonight I saw white, I don't sorry. Steppa Choice, you know him like the party. But I'm gonna keep for me. 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 Hey,
talk to them. Steppa Choice. Kill them all, turn them in a dopey story. Who see this one like them not know it?
Emergency!
Yo,
this is Steppa Choice.
Step on them, one to them. Fool them for no sir, Rodney Price. I'm in the nice. Talk to them, what a sacrifice. Yo, Kirk, Butcho. Some boy I go one time. Ryan, Lumber. Talk to them. Steppa Choice. Kill them all, turn them in a dopey story. Pussy this up one like them no know it. Me gun tall and the magazine long. Me kill pussy whole way I try take we glory. Not say them a friend now I'm hungry. Them a buy Hennessy if he try jumpy. But me have to give thanks to the Lord. Him open up me eyes make me see. Steppa Choice see the enemies all around we. I try hold we underwater fi drown with the enemies all around we. They wanna see we go down. Don't draw me out. Don't draw me out. You coulda have to feel a 9 pine in your mouth. Don't draw me out. Don't draw me out. Cause who no not go like it. Steppa Choice go all out. Me say don't draw me out. Don't draw me out. Cause pussy will we get a carbine in your mouth. Don't draw me out. Don't draw me out. Cause who no not go like it. Steppa Choice go all out.
Steppa kill yourself. Steppa Choice tell your story. Steppa Choice see what you're going through. Sound boy, it's a downhill climb, and Batman don't sorry. Dubplates will conquer you, yeah. Sound boy surrender. You can't win in this thing called clash. When you want it the most, there's no easy way out. Steppa Choice sound and don't go, and some sound boy I drop out. Don't give up on your sound. Dubs goes to those who believe it, and that's the way Steppa Choice live. That's the
Jesus
way.
Christ.
When you question
Steppa Choice. You nice. Lord, after we went to a sound class in Toronto, we have a big fat thing named Pam. Rasta as we reach at the dance gate. The gate man a bright up in blasted face. I want kick the Steppa Choice, give me 9 mount. 32 teeth just jump right out. You should hear the people, them a jump and a shout. We ballin' from east, west, north and south. Here we sing now. Let go me and gate man, let me come in, Lord. Let go me and gate man, let me come in. As Steppa Choice come fi nice up the scene, Lord. You want me but you with me M16. Under your arms smell like rotten sardine. The one pants you up, it no have been no scene. The class where you have on the in.
Anyway, tell them when me go so show me uno uno. I know original that you think gunman was Steppa Choice I say. Show me uno say
style. If you no ready to go take the bang mail, you feel me go so. Show me uno. All original, the yachty gunman will step a try to say. Show me uno style. If you no ready to go take the bang, well, step a try to step in and they clash and we no afraid. Bad man Buju, bust up your dubs and get paid. Then Kirky, you got a sound boy on parade. Then shaky your right talk up in the
mask it down, one and mask it at two. Mask it up, pitch back at Calalo. 211 data, 22, 21 and 21 data, 42. If it's a step at Tashimago, murder you. 51 and 51 data, 102. If it's step at dice, I kill him for two. Me know them a chat, but I load them a low. There's nothing this sound boy can do. And there is nothing this sound boy can do. There's nothing this sound boy can do. And there is nothing this sound boy can do. How much of them we kill? 102 we kill them on the lane road and avenue. The ramping, the patati will murder you. They come
Make them come, we have the hammer. Selector violator, we have to brandish the bomber. Level after that, them have to talk to we proper. When Dubplate have the pussy hole under pressure. Pussy hole under pressure. Yeah, you me? Think them a wicked man, send them, make them come. Say them a bad sound, send them, make them come. Say them a gangster, send them, make them come. Is that what we say to them? Son boy, you must be paranormal. Under case of psychosis, the gun where we a bust will give you diagnosis, pop it out. You talk things like you're under hypnosis. Iron tablet where we give you for the crisis. First you get eliminated, then you rest a friend assassinated. Who a try to run, get ambushed and terminated. All when them chests are steel plated, them get liquidated. We gun bust till it frustrated. But no ras to a R it rated, then the sound violated. Them a go get annihilated. Step a choice of some dubs in the box consecrated. As you feel boy, your soul elevated. You think this a fun, son? Don't try weakness man gun, son. Get out of here and run, son. Before your little life get done, son. Who no think this is fun, son? Don't try weakness, step a gun, son. Get out of here and run, son. Before your little life get done, son. Now make we tell you about that gun, the SKG and the big 4 Mac gun. Step a try to bust it up from the days of pop gun. Coward gun, man of them walk with cock gun. If you violate, you look up in a shotgun. Don't stick around when step a try to clap gun. Man, we shot in your face with all a one pop gun. Remember whole time days when man a bust cat gun. When sound boy hear that them run and drop gun. Just half a clip make the whole place pop down. The AK them know we have them locked down. All the handgun them we have them strapped down. Sound boy, you never see the big thing when man a push pan wheel. Come push all your luck and now you get a raw deal. Dubs lick out your heart and chop out your heel. True you never want hear. Now you a go feel your cross border line and come back to feel and come with boots. Cause a man dubs you want steal. Step a choice them die so fi share up your meal. You better prepare yourself. Who no think this is fun, son? Don't try weakness, step a gun, son. Get out of here and run, son. Before your little life get done, son. Who no think this is fun, son? Don't try weakness, step a gun, son. Get out of here and
big up on yourself, Calvert. Junglist, Mr. Saga, you don't know Brampton. Yeah, man, step a choice. Alright, oh, the boy, them think we never hear them. When them a send them as a dirty threat. Oh yes, them run down reports and we a scare them. And it not touch 6:30 yet. Them this a pattern and no stop fret. And we no circle on them block yet. And we no rise on at this clock yet. And them no hear no skull a crack yet. And Buju no dress up now no frock yet. And them no hear no skull a crack yet. And no blood no map up with no map yet. Lumba say rush me say not yet. The boy them a no tread car. When they sit near them a knock, why? It sound like thunderclap, why? And everybody get flat, why? Sound boy run go call the cops, lad. Cause when they sit near them a knock, why? It load like thunderclap, why? Make everybody get flat, why? Tell them we not take no shot, bam billy willy bang, skin. So me go big up all the gang, them man from Jane and Finch and from Grand Spend. And Mr. Saga with the Mac 10. Big up Brampton junglist man, them. And Malvern up on the top 10. Whoa, step a choice how we are mad, them. You just wait until we grab
again. Just because Steppa tries to get bad again. Jump and get sick, some get sad again.
Emergency! This is Steppa
Well, hear this. I hear some boy talk about demon have 7 hog, 12 alligator, 2 crocodile, and some lion and some tiger. Pussies, if the lion, tiger, alligator, and crocodile can't do it, you know. I got this 7 hog for name on no blood clot. I mean, him Father Jesus. Anyway, let me tell you something. Steppa choice. Boy, dead before them blood clot born. Feed them in the one. Birds of a dance of old and Gorgon. Listen this. Steppa tight. Steppa tight. Steppa tight. Yes, them fans get mad again. Just because Steppa tries to get bad again. Jump and get sick, some get sad again. Steppa tries to take up the kill sound rat again. All brother Desmond start to praise God again. You mean God again? Yes, then get mad again. Just because Steppa tries to get bad again. Jump and get sick, some get sad again. Steppa tries to take up the kill sound rat again. All brother Desmond start to praise God again. You mean God again? Well, music is a mission at a competition. Who teach me that not me friend keep it and chant them down? Way down to the foundation. Then this mountain me that in it's and down the think we gone. Me tell them, think we gone, but I'm back to claim it. Some of them are high, but they can't maintain it.
Emergency!
What is this?
This is
Steppa tries to
Steppa
turn up the about and Gorgon. Run the rhythm cause was like then killing the talking. A pussy dead before daylight and morning. Some boy weeping and moaning. Gunshot will make them mama groaning. How would them feel like? Then the bold Dan. Steppa tries tell you where them sound boy come from. Feed them in the wall. Suck your mother's sound boy, yes. Think we gone. Think we gone. Think we gone. Think we gone. Me tell them. Think we gone, but I'm back to claim it. None of them are high, but they can't maintain it. Want to style, but they can't obtain it. Steppa choice is back in town. Pin them in the one me telling on. Think me gone, but I'm back to claim it. None of them are high, but they can't maintain it. Want to style, but they can't obtain it. Steppa choice is back in town. Pin them in the one me say. Ninja men come to tell everybody did. To all the jump on the community. Who try be perfect with tranquility. Don't you know say we are much too mad did.
Indeed, my friend, me not joke, me not laugh. Emergency!
Turn up the bell about that choice. Run the rhythm cause was like then killing the talking. A pussy dead before daylight and morning. Some boy weeping and moaning. Gunshot will make them mama groaning. How would them feel like? Then the bold Dan. Steppa choice tell you where them sound boy come from. Feed them in the wall. Suck your mother's sound boy, yes. Think we gone. Think we gone. Think we gone. Think we gone. Me tell them. Think we gone, but I'm back to claim it. None of them are high, but they can't maintain it. Want to style, but they can't obtain it. Steppa choice is back in town. Pin them in the one me telling on. Think me gone, but I'm back to claim it. None of them are high, but they can't maintain it. Want to style, but they can't obtain it. Steppa choice is back in town. Pin them in the one me say. Ninja men come to tell everybody did. To all the jump on the community. Who try be perfect with tranquility. Don't you know that we are mathematically
Are the king of fire,
Steppa choice upon the fire, we not afraid of them. We not kill somebody, we not afraid of them. And not say we want disturb we neighbor them, but we love for you the bass and the phrase a blend. We a play by choice and the step of them. We not care somebody, we not afraid of them. Me say tell the police them no raid again. Got the youth them soul we come to save again. Chuck, the clash is in fire. Steppa aside, we standing by your side, and we not retire. We have to teach the youth them to wise. We sound them get stronger, stronger. Sound boy you can't play no longer. We sound I get stronger, sound I get stronger. Boy you try to kill with another boy we live longer. Tell them no temper, no try we send we. We think them no empty, we have them plenty. From century to century, them can't prevent we. The youth them in the ghetto done confident we sound boy.
The girl over me here people a ball. Music a mash up on the system stall. Can't find money for go shopping down a mall. Can't find credit for make phone call. And so to drop anytime them call. This type of choice of all of them fall. The baby sound boy that go like ball.
When gunshots start beat like
Celestia is standing by your side. I will not retire. Why? I'm sure the youth them too wide. Sometimes I get stronger, stronger. Them sound boy they can't play no longer. Me sound I get stronger, sound I get stronger. If them miss me sound, me say them a go get stand up. No bag up this.
Man a bad man with a dress like bits so.
Them start to eat them. No plate greet them. Long time we teach them. I listen like say I am the chief. Then righteousness we a keep them. Them shot and I lead them.
Security! This is Itchy One! Emergency! Number one! This is Steppa choice! I want to them. Big up all Kutan. Man, we about 6 Mac 11 and 2 John in a 2 hand. Steppa choice a bad man son a little suck pussy in a batty boy sound can prove pan. Bad man buju and madman move man. I want to them a mad cabram some boy your lumberjee when they in a war and ball bumble clad cree. I want to them to say walk so let it rust. I want to them shake it when them a pray. Mad as can be, never switch, never change, now rearrange. Give me gun. Well, indeed, my friend, me not joke, me not laugh. Enough time man make me some of no earth start when the big 45 pop off. Now pussy can't talk. Whoa, yo, me and me gun. In a me and me not joke, me not play. Man, we shot you. Come your night, come DJ. Steppa choice no like no bow cat, no batty boy neither gay. Where the gangsters them say, whoa, yo, pussy life gone down the drain. Big gun designed for make people feel pain. Whoa, yo, boy, are the teen, you know. Mommy ban a belly and a ball. Hell, boy, no test the skill, not try to step a skill. Boy, you test curve them, you want go get kill me shot. Jack with me Glock and then me romance kill. Think some man a jug, not take man fi Benny Hill. Boy, yo, pussy life gone down the drain. Big gun designed for make people feel pain. Boy, yo, boy, are the teen, you know. Mommy ban a belly and a ball. Hell, 16 in the magazine, 1 in the head. I'm back at trigger press and everything dead. No make sense, a little pussy clean or beg. Gun not so till me use that and a skull egg. Up a rich, up while me gun a great and not no meg and if a egg. 4 or 5 the in the red. Boy, you this itch you and sure you a go dead. Gunshot in a body boy head. Steppa, indeed me friend, me not joke, me not laugh. Enough time man make shots.
Watch I know you. Make we tell them about the concept. When Steppa choice them bring panic corner, yeah.
Emergency!
So yeah, me man Steppa choice with the fire blind. See me lumberjee, I'm the board shot. I'm the itch one for me. So yeah, I'm the kirk I want to them Ryan. I'm the one shaky boy violates and dead. I'm the man in blood who you sit. I tell it from your device and what's I have seen. I am the man when I compromise, you know. When you see Steppa blood clot choice, no violator. Cause we not shot, then watch I know you. Make we tell about the guns them. When Steppa choice them bring panic corner, yeah. So we shot any boy where you suck pussy and a fuck batty on your lumberjee. Them boy that them fool to the thing yet. Lumberjee him a pro to the thing. Me bridging butcher where you him a run the thing. Load up the rifle, them a aim it in a pussy face and bust it up. Bust it, me tell your boy head back and jump out. Boy violate in a pussy face shot slap. Head back just jump out. Bust it, Itchy One bust it again. Me say pass him, say now we a bust it again. Steppa choice on the get it. Happy we gon' stop. Shake it, them a bust it again.
Steppa choice to in and no long talking. Them have the dogs, them make listen and sparkling.
Emergency!
Yo,
this is
Steppa choice I want to them boy. Bullet went and they make blood clot. Steppa get cross. One year Steppa vice. I want to them Steppa try stepping. One to them bad man repping. Talk to them Ryan. Yo, shake it. Motherfucking niggas should know. They shouldn't wake me. Hit you one to them lumberjee. Talk to them fool butcher. Kirk. Motherfucking niggas should know. He's warlord. I like him. Steppa tries to in and no long talking. Them have the dubs, them wet glisten and sparkling. Boy, you flip up themselves like dolphin. Some big dog without teeth, well, no barking. Ask him, who make him flossing? Them two-faced boy, they love double crossing. Steppa tries book them, no question we asking. How them think this the basking? Steppa tries hear what them say, but he no care what them say. I wanna hear him come, but he no care what them there. And any guy no like me, this clear with them there. I chat off them out, where them feel feel say. Me know the street from the little and a growing up. We have machines at the ones them we're throwing up. For the big dogs them we have the drunk growing up. As they patronize them come and try over throwing up. And them say them fast, them a move slowing up. Them half key like them lose a big throwing up. This one a story about the Juliet and a Romeo. On the better listen to Papa and on them flowing up. Bang diddly like ranking join up. No bicycle bar like squeaky join up. Look how the girl them sexy and a glowing up. And some boy gon' take stitches and sewing up. Well, hear what them say but me no care what them say. I wanna wear me shot so me no fear what them there. Them no like this Steppa tries this go clear with them there. I chat off them out where them feel say. We bad from we little bit. From we a shoot ground up or shoot grass with. Now we big dip out them now be off it. Them pass clock it rides like a forklift.
Security! This is Itchy One! Emergency! Number one! This is Steppa choice!
Yeah, I don't know, so Steppa choice in Itchy One. Lumba J, Ryan, Kirk, Shaky and Bujo. I don't know what to do.
No lazy body. Me no want no lazy body, no lazy body, no lazy body. Lazy body, no lazy body, no lazy body. Come and Steppa choice, you a go feel right. Come and Steppa choice, you a go feel right. No girl inna the dance, them no sleepy. Watch how them a dance and a move them body.
Yeah, I don't know, so Steppa choice in Itchy One. Lumba J, Ryan, Kirk, Shaky and Bujo. I don't know what to do.
Lazy body. Me no want no lazy body, no lazy body, no lazy body. Lazy body, no lazy body, no lazy body. Come and Steppa choice, you a go feel right. Come and Steppa choice, you a go feel right. No girl inna the dance, them no sleepy. Watch how them a dance and a move them body. Lazy body, we no want no lazy body. Lazy body, we no want no lazy body. Can't take the girl them way up Jopsy. Can't take the girl them way up Jopsy. When I come and Steppa, they lick down. No lazy body, no lazy body, no lazy body. Lazy body, no lazy body, no lazy body.
Yeah, let me not tell them on a Steppa choice of the boom boom sound without tears, man. Bad man Bujo. Yeah, man. Itchy One. Yeah. Beanie. You me not tell them on Shaky. Who goes and toes every time you bend the nose? Rastafari, little rain. See? Yeah, man. They might run, come, can't play like Steppa choice. Do anything to be a fan club member. No sound is willing and able. Can't spin like Steppa choice down table. They might run, come, can't play like Steppa choice. Do anything to be a fan club member. No sound is willing and able. Can't spin like Steppa choice down table. Steppa choice don't have bad mind. He don't take no part in crime. He only try to play his best. Thank you, Jah, you've done the race. Now the time has changed.
What?
Steppa choice now go rearrange. I've got to keep my humility while Jah bless my ability. Come can play like Steppa choice. Do anything to be a fan club member. Your sound of the timpan sound. Steppa choice and the
Shake it, shake them with this one. Earthquake, someone drop and break. Steppa choice, people's choice. I'll climb any mountain and swim the deepest sea. Searching for my someone is the Steppa choice to play for me. How is it taking so long for sounds to pack and go home? When will they learn they taste the Steppa and get burned? Cause Steppa choice shall beat them all when he gets his turn. We never lose, cause it's the right Dubplates we use. And blow some sound boys' fuse and ride them out of town. We never lose, cause it's the Father's road we choose. Those sounds may come around, the Steppa will wear the crown. Yes, I'll walk for hundreds of miles to hear Steppa playing all the while. Listening to Robot Double is the Steppa choice the people love. How is it taking so long for sounds to pack and go home? When will they learn that is the Steppa choice and get burned? Steppa choice shall beat them all when he gets in stern. We never lose, cause it's the right Dubplate we use, and blow some sound boys' views and ride them out of town. We never lose, cause it's the Father's road we choose. Those sounds may come around, Steppa choice will wear the crown. Victory's mine all the time.
Steppa choice sound is better than no sound. Steppa choice will throw out some boy down. If anyone should ask you who's the Steppa choice, tell them that my you know it's true. Forever Kirk will play the play for you. Steppa choice will kill throughout the world. Woo 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 woo. To other dancehall fans and people. Yeah, let it just kill them sound and dance all over. Watch this, listen, Steppa choice sound, see, the sound with many tastes and leads with top and mid-range and the bass. If anyone should ask you who's the Steppa choice, tell them my sound true. Forever killing all them little old pan sound and them crew. Steppa choice will kill throughout the world. Woo 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 woo. To all the dancehall fans and people. Hey, let it be felt by every soul. Till dance all over. Listen, cause all I know is that Lambaji been killing sounds forever. Say Richie, one, you know you are the champion. You gotta do what I gotta do. Steppa choice for them, yes, yeah. Hear me now. Last night I hear a sound playing, but you wonder who it was. But from the sound of the drum and the sound of the bass, Steppa choice you're in the town. It's a way for sound clash, and I know just how you feel. For they're saying this and they're playing that, but no liquor sound can test. We are the best. Steppa choice will play for you, just as long as you want him to. Steppa choice will play for you. I know he'll come true. I hope you find that the doubts we play are the ones you want to hear.
Steppa choice a champion, and you're a baby. So why you try to test me?
Emergency!
Yeah, man, a Steppa choice on the place in the killer sound. And I'm on John to represent the #1 murdering sound, Steppa choice. Kirk, Saint Shaky, also Ryan and the man called Lombard G there. Also the one called Hitchy One, Bujo, and I'm on John to represent. Come together right now for kill a little dead sound over there, sir. Sound boy, away you what do ya? Sound boy. Steppa's choice a champion, and you're a baby. So why you try to test me? You know we are gonna kill you. Steppa's choice of the champion. You're a baby. So we are gonna kill you tonight. We are gonna murder you. Sound you dead. Sound boy you dead. We come to wear the crown. We are gonna kill your sound. What a murder tonight. Some can't put up no fight. No, no. Steppa's choice or kill you. Steppa choice are the #1 sound. We come to murder your sound tonight. Some can't put up no fight. Steppa choice or the killer. We are the thriller. What a murder tonight. We come to wear the crown
Steppa's choice kill deadly.
You can't put up no fight.
Some call it Spanish town, but this is Steppa's choice rock.
Emergency!
You know it's Steppa's choice.
choice.
Kirky, Bojo, Ryan, Lumberjee. I don't know shake you to watch nothing cause you know that's how the thing go. Yeah, send them come. Them dead. Them dead. Say Steppa's choice kill deadly. See? Some call it Spanish town, but this is Steppa's choice rock. Some call it Spanish town, but this is Steppa's choice rock. Them dead. Boom, bang, bang, them dead. Cause Steppa's choice them kill deadly. See? Them son boy keep trying, and them son boy they dying. This kind of the plate make some boy run through the gate. Cause some call it Spanish town, but this is Steppa's choice rock. Attack! Some call it Spanish town, but this is Steppa's choice rock. Them dead. Them dead. Boom, bang, bang, them dead. Cause Steppa's try to kill deadly. See? The prisoners are skanking while the warden are watching. Some try to escape when them hear Steppa's choice playing. Cause some call it Spanish town, but this is Steppa's choice rock. Some call it Spanish town, but this is Steppa's choice rock. Them dead. Son boy, them dead. And Steppa's choice them kill deadly. Them dead. And Steppa's trash them kill them deadly. See? Some call it Spanish town, but this is Steppa's trash rock. Attack!
Gwaan ENT.